Hey, birthday girl. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, baby. Oh, God.
Happy birthday, sis. Here.
How we are going to catch up, Kayla?
You.
Thank you, mommy.
Oh,
You don't want to
baby.
catch up.
Nice.
How you love ketchup, so.
I want she to use the ketchup on her head because she had eaten and look on her head after her birthday.
Oh, God. You
Look
can't
at
be
your
nice
head.
to your sister for
I
her
like.
birthday.
I think if it's keep the ketchup and go up on YouTube and learn how to cook.
Next year, I'm going to try that.
So,
Anyway, how it feel to be 18, big adult
just
now?
feel normal. I have no idea. I can't go out. I need ID.
Well, it will come. You have to go post office. It will come. It's so posted that they already.
Oh.
But Michael,
ID ready already. Mommy.
everything in time. Everything in time.
So, my plan for today, just to give all when I get.
Yes.
And then you may thought you don't give me nothing.
Me dad,
I
give
just
me the
give
ketchup
all
in
when
the
I get.
May have my plans. I
Oh.
have my plans. That's why me give you a gift early. And me have to
Okay.
go run out and get some shopping and think. And me, I cook a pot. All of your favorite. All lobster me line up for you.
Alright, mama, go and go get the ad and come.
All right.
That's so nice.
So, like how you is 18 now, me just want to let you know, say, we're proud of you, you know?
Yes.
We're proud of you. You see, any little thing you want to do, from it legal and it's straight, me not have much. But me will help you. You see,
Yeah.
any little business or job or nothing you want to do, me will help you.
Okay.
All right, come me work hard.
Yeah, like
Put
when
in
you're
the feel
18
easy.
now, you know, plan to look at work.
You can't look at work.
No, like when you're 18 now, you can't look at work.
You can look at work too. You're 18 soon.
We get where when you reach that, we just want to cross.
Okay, when we reach my bridge, I cross my bridge.
So you now want to look at work?
All right. Me gone.
Me not have a
Me have
child
shopping
to
to do
mind.
and me have cooking to do.
Where she gone?
I'm feeling no.
Anyways,
Hello? I tell you, my birthday now. We can't get to something today. Alright, me I come. Don't move.
what's that me gone to?
So yeah, David, what's something they do about bro? Yeah, boy, and it's not easy. True, man. Because look there, see we plant some color over there. And them are dry out. I don't know what I'm dealing with water. It's election time, you know. I'm supposed to get water. I'm not getting water.
See him so it pan
Time rough, see me.
Tell her,
You know
bro.
me one time if you just jump out of farming thing and just do something else. Better I go thief. Because I swear you think I joy, it's not easy, dog.
I say that,
It's
man.
not easy, bro. You also you see them not cheap. But I want to see them not cheap, yo. When you spend our money on the seed, plant you have to say, alright, this after that, so you can take out money if you try to pay yourself to when you sell it. It's not easy.
True, man. You believe you, man.
Not easy, bro. So what are we going with them?
Me there, you know. I'm putting so up in my mind.
Better I'm going to scam with that because you make money. Come on.
You know, so not too tough now and going for me right now because things and times are get slow and chill. Slimmers.
Hi.
How are you?
There.
You good?
Yeah, you good?
First thing I say about the place, you know what? Because you're mad about the place every day.
No, myself, I'm going to find a place me there in my ground.
Oh.
We don't go no way, we don't party.
You
No.
must
Yeah.
single.
Yeah, I'm single.
Oh.
You like a them, you single?
Yes. How are?
You
What the problem?
Man. You not tell a lie, man. You single.
Anyways, what you
Man, so you check it out next month.
All that too. You know, say me not believe saying single to for real, bro. Look how she look.
First of all, say me even taking I'm single. Anyone that you want to think in your head, you couldn't get me. See man like a uno full cock off on the slippers, uno pants down the body. Like say, on a scam. Like say, on a batty man, and exposing an ass around the so. Me no want man like a uno.
You see pants on my body?
No, yeah, you alright, pass on your body.
So you say uno.
Me attack him.
See, you
An
say
example,
him.
me I show
You
you.
not say uno.
No, you just know I love chat. What's the problem with you now?
So I deal with my friend, so.
And you me a chat to me, I could have been your friend or your uncle, whatever I want to be, and me a chat, and the argument done. It's so problem that I
You
look.
man to me attitude like.
Hey.
Come in want somebody like I am. You cut up a icky over here next time I talk about look woman.
One way I go, man. You feel say nobody else want you.
You feel like you tap me, you didn't want me, and you tap me, you
You man gonna feel a string deal.
The man that's a compliment. Yeah, one attitude.
Man gonna feel a string bean.
The girl like them there. And money them want. Money. You better say with the papa out of Kyle and say, Mama.
You ready? No.
He ain't ready. Anything you say in jump. Mama come go and like.
Yeah, I mean, man gonna open and feel a stingray.
Just say, better still better me go on the line. Because you know my mother want her money right now. I'm not have it.
Boy, you better stay there farming right now. Just one client me there I want to catch right now for buy piece.
Too old long yet? You not catch none yet?
Brother, me not catch you right when you can set my life because right now me even pray for buy a
You
land.
better you did go do fishing. Something would have must catch on the line already.
No.
Must have fish you would have catch.
You know, say better me than do pray.
You better you go do done fisherman.
Because right now me a pray like to set my life. Right now I want piece of land, I want buy some weed seed, I want farm, I want do farming to brother.
Hey, you think say that weed business there are easy thing? You have to have a license. And whole person me here. You can't just take up yourself say you plant weed so people send police to your place.
True that.
That me I tell you,
Yes,
you have to think. See me have to me I sit in my voice so me not say me look at each one and two suck around the back but I know whole heap.
You're smart, bro.
People bad mind and send police to your place.
True.
You have to think out. You see me, my virgin, and I show you right. So I do that, get your license number one. Make sure you get the line of fence up good too.
True, man. No,
people go over and thief your things too.
And the code, be a code around the place.
How do you pants some papture? I code and come yam down my things.
So me just same.
I look the thing, me know Barry, when I get big chop off one of them head. It's a lucky thing. A Barry call me say, don't make them come back over and make them come back. I call me above my yard.
So what Barry say about it?
He might go say, oh, me can't control them and walk me fence up. But you see me place fence up. I jump my fence. Come over my property.
Next time then come over them and chop up one of them or you capture one of them. And lock him up over your farm. I fear that now.
Say God, so everything bad that I do.
I circle, see me a circle from my boy them and pass up.
Oh, I go on the line.
Yeah, man.
I'm the way to still feed out them pumpkin.
Alright, bro.
Alright.
She'll come back here.
No, she'll come and take mommy.
It look like say she really a full gyre earth strong.
Yeah. Like she happy.
I love that.
Like she happy.
I love
And them an ugly picture and she shall put up on me so I'm just find them, you know.
You can't give her one day for nice to her man. Not always, you always a pick on her.
Me not pick on her moments called loved. These are good memories of us.
Remember that day?
Yes, remember that.
Rain wet, so don't look like wet rat to true.
And then when I'm sure post about the happy birthday.
She would have killed you. Hey,
Hello,
birthday
hello.
girl!
Yes. So I'm not my first one on the move.
Mm-hmm.
So you know my first one, I left you.
Yes. Me go up on the road and come back before
Oh. So happen now.
And we for ask you.
Are you me for ask me and I say I go buy up some things? and
Yes,
so
you don't smell the food.
No.
You just, your nose all blocked.
You cook?
Of course we cook.
Alright, so I pray now.
We just want to know how you full joy your day so far.
I'm not full joy, nothing. I just go up on a walk. When I get no more gift than the one that you will give me. When I get no money, me here not do nothing.
Oh man, know yourself. You're here soon though. You're soon learn off your dead for hunger. Because you're getting an adult age, so you're going to have to bang your belly sometime to get through in a life. Maybe go teach you then someday.
I want somebody me hate is you, Kayla. For my birthday. You can't give me one day for breathe in peace.
Papa, you're here soon, girl.
You're here
Just
soon.
thank God you live to see the day. That's all. Me that you want ketchup, you never want it. You could have throw it past some mackerel rice and eat it.
I tell them I'm hungry. Mommy, I say she cook food, lobster and fish and things.
You can tell her like, tell her the truth. I'm saying no cook food. Tell her the truth.
Oh,
She
God,
not
stop
feeling
cause problem.
I mean,
Stop cause
you know, cook food.
problem. Of course we cook the food. You're gonna make your 18 go. Listen. Now you reach 18. Me love how under the two I know is my good girls, you know. Oh God, you make me so proud. After you know how I'm proud of you. And you reach 18 now. Alright, you here no though, but everything I go on. Everything I go on.
Yeah, give me no money from birthday.
Of course. So we're gonna eat and we're gonna give you a little thing it's in my room. And we're gonna give the 2 hour now.
Why the 2 hour and I'm
See, you don't want to go out for you. You don't want to go out for your birthday.
No,
For
man.
my 18th birthday, you never did give me nothing. You give her money and she not grateful for it. Give everything to me.
Oh
We
God.
bring her out. I'm all on the money.
I'm my birthday. No?
Yeah, we realize that.
Mommy, talk to me. Talk to me.
Just a second. You see, when it was yours, me do my best, you know. But remember, say me did just get made redundant and everything. We never have it like that. That's why me I give the 2 hour now.
And you give me
Money.
mackerel. Mackerel was what you give to me on my birthday. Right?
Alright,
She
me I
looked
make
I
it
was
up
giving
now.
her
Me I
ketchup.
make it up now. Me I make it up now.
Alright, make it up, mommy.
And
make it up.
and I want to talk to you because you reach womanhood now. And then little boy, I'm pissing to your
What do you
boy.
call womanhood?
Get
Hood,
18.
Oh,
You don't have to look out to your eye them. Because them Brennan sit up on the road. Me no know
You
if
call bread dance, mommy. Man,
Brennan sit.
and the man, the man.
Yes.
Stop play dumb. Stop play dumb.
Mommy, you can't talk to me by myself one day. Why she always in the room?
Because the two I don't need to hear this one time. I'm in a love repeat myself.
Okay, talk it, mommy.
You have to watch them Brennan sit on the road, you know.
Yes.
Can Brennan sit more can't sweet like a them. They're not telling you if I have no relationship. Have relationship, you can have like a boyfriend. And you must have feelings and things. I mean, I even want to know if you know his very. But still, use this here. No bother running and say, I'm in love. Use your head.
Yes,
When I was 18 now. When I say no, I look work and everything, I'm proud of now. Use your head. Don't jump in straight to the heart and no follow them.
Yes,
Them
mommy.
sweet and them mouth here. But God of the turkey and burn up, me a come.
What?
Mommy, look more to with you.
I believe I'm going to ask you something.
What?
Me know say you just don't age and you pass the age of consent, right?
Mm-hmm.
You have virtue?
What that have to do with you?
No, come on, no, if you do things out there, you say, mommy, not guide the right. Man, if you do things that
Me alright, and if you know, you're a virgin? Mm-hmm.
You ask me that.
Okay, don't ask me that either.
Say you reach the age of consent.
You reach the age of consent a long time. You have a boyfriend?
No, me not have none at the
No,
moment.
me not have none at the moment. Would have gone out already. You realize me here no do nothing no do?
No, we girl just thank God you live to see the day and talk worry about here.
Okay, me thank God already.
Mommy, where there with the money?
Here come.
Hurry
Yeah,
up.
yeah, it's okay, but no.
You see her head name too?
She in the car, they know the socket.
No, you reach 100.
Oh, plug it out. I see what me I go buy for where I go out. I don't know how much money she had to me. I should have so long.
We nearly never have no dinner, you know. Alright. Me not really have it like that, but me have. I got because it's your actual earth strong now. Me have 1,001 for you, and this is 1,000. Look, me not had no more purse empty. Me give on everything me have. Here, take it, go and enjoy yourself.
Mommy,
But nobody full in the belly.
what
Come
me
here,
I gonna do
cook.
with this? Tell me. The woman say my hairstyle is $11,000 and one of the ear them are $4,300.
You get job yet? Me tell you so to go buy a birthday drink.
Yeah.
You and your sister go get a birthday drink, but nobody full up on the belly, you know.
So she gonna pay me fair with that.
Wanna work it out. That's
She
all
have to
I
pay
have.
me fair with
Alright,
that.
give it back then. No want no birthday drink. Give it
No,
back.
me thankful.
Give it
but
back.
Me ask about the fair part.
Wanna work it out, man. That's
How much
every
money
look. That's everything I have.
Alright, that's for 2 hours fair. I'm gonna buy ice cream with this.
At that, miss.
I'll keep the change.
Alright, but nobody full your belly can call me a sweat over the stove. Anyhow, dinner ready and no can't eat it. Me and no. 18 or
I mean,
not.
I go bed.
Alright.
I go bed first.
Just I realize something.
What?
We dey in a poverty. Cause me a big 19-year-old girl. And you look for me $700.
Oh God, look, see the other part. Let me hold on. Let me look at the other part in the first.
No,
let me look in at the other part. You want it now though? You want it now? Correct.
Where's that shit? Where's that shit?
Alright, already.
Yeah, so happy. Okay, baby. I'm mommy there. What I need? Let mommy put on when she come in. When she come in, she put it up. How's she there?
Mama thought I'd do her girl. She ever see her.
Yes, so she out there, come.
No, it's over the back door.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Oh, hold on, you're outside, man.
The cock crow.
Oh.
I mean, want to do all the outside things before the sun beat too hard, man. We can't take the sun.
Well, I think we want to go look and work to come and help you, because I'm tired of the things you know. Get to my belly right now.
Okay. I'm proud of that.
Yeah,
I
mommy,
like that.
because tell the truth, mommy, me at 19 and me not have a job, mommy. I don't want to call myself what this, but I what this, you tell you God Almighty truth. So we are saying, man, go on the road and now go see if me can look at work, because me need a job, you know, mommy.
Mm-hmm.
And you alone, we are suffering in our work out. Me need to see if me can put something on the table too.
Yes.
Oh God, we're proud. What we do if we deserve or not? We're proud of after no. Look how much 18 and 19-year-olds, all them I do, I walk street and I scam and I gold dig and I sell what them not for sell. Oh God, we come from zero to where we there now, you know. We are come, we're proud of you know. So what kind of work do you want?
Well, and I really well wanting them. I remember saying Jamaica, this is what we can get, because when I really have a subject, them and them something that we look work or we really want.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why we have to get.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we get a bar work when we take care of supermarket work.
Okay.
When do the supermarket one? You can't take him and them and then chat, then drink, then chat too much.
Mm-hmm. But don't aim too low. Get something for now, but aim high. Remember what me tell you.
Yeah.
Aim for the moon, and even if we miss, we'll be amongst what? The stars. I'm proud of you. Before I go, let me see a word of prayer as a mission and I'll go upon you now.
Mommy, you see, only thing if you pray for, I said no, not at the two we no breathe. Because I try with them at the house now, and we have suffer, we can't feed one another. Just imagine if the two we go out there and go breathe.
Oh God, that's
Oh God.
five
No, but lock it off forever, you know, call remember say, me want to hold my grand picnic then before me close my eyes. But not yet. No, man, next 10, 20 years, because we all going to live long.
Alright, pray now.
Lord, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for these two beautiful girls. As I'm going to touch the road, go with them, Lord. Be their mouth, be their foot, be their everything. Guide and protect them so they go in and come back home safe and achieve the mission and greater than the mission that they thought they were going to do in your name. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Go with
Alright, now
God.
we so come back.
And
Alright.
mommy, is it
Yes,
true
baby.
that already this morning?
Mhm.
We never pay up a bed, but me I beg you please.
Yeah.
Prepare for
If
me,
you can't predict, if you're not too tired.
No, man, listen, where's a team? You got permission. That's the least.
Alright.
You're going to do the outside bits them first, too. Okay, hot. Walk good, my dog, today. Walk good. We throw down now.
Daddy,
Yeah, man, I go on.
they are trying to find a hustling.
Hurry me out, you know.
No.
You know,
I want
say,
to look at hustling. Try to break up 2 yards or something.
yard, wake up here. Bro, we not there for anything there. Only what me know about right now up on my phone. So if you come, you come. Because
Me
what me I go right now.
You know that? More physical work. Like, check out the money where it's a chop out. When it's a doing work.
But man, it better me hurry up come go me I go. Because you know chat nothing with sense, no brother. Them a work and can feed you and feed your mind and clothe you and shelter you.
If I even want 2 grand work, I want it.
Two grand can do.
For me table to come.
But 2 grand can do.
Only
Brother, you want
you can buy 2 pound of rice, 2 pound of flour, oil, onion and sauce if you put it in my house.
bad man, you want more than that to put in your house. You work when me know how me I
2
go.
grand is better than nothing. More than when I come with them, I go put myself in a trouble. A scam.
Bad
You know
man,
that?
right now you don't chat nothing will make sense to me.
No,
Right
no,
now,
no, scam.
you stir up my brain and my brain have to take up to go on the work. So,
You don't know nobody like say, oh, kind of.
bro, come on, me teach you a game.
Only game I know if you play a cricket. You don't know what it's game.
Someone I
And
do.
that me
You
play
waste
when
my
me
time.
go
Yo,
on
really?
Soccer.
Really? Because you don't waste my time.
Yeah,
man.
we go. You know, pass this side or so. Nobody on the side.
No, you don't have to check. Go and go check. Me never did look
I
over
will look. I'm on the earth.
Oh, good evening.
Evening.
Yeah, no, it's not no work they are giving.
Work.
Yes, work.
Like what kind of work you want to do?
It don't really matter to it right now. We just want to work to help your mother.
Yeah, so any type of work you have can give, just make me know.
I think that's not for full work.
Alright, me will make you get a work, but would have to meet up back. Me have a bar, you know, where. You don't do bar work.
Sure, man. I don't really too like bar work.
Where
The
the
man
bar
then
work?
drunk then talk too much.
I want the money right
so
now.
what kind of work you definitely would have want?
If I even want supermarket work, what if I have the bar work? Me take a bar work for all it.
I have a virgin named Paul, where I want supermarket work. I don't know if you want a supermarket work for it,
Yes. I told you we are getting.
probably tomorrow.
No.
You want to know, you single?
Yes, she's single. She don't want a man.
What you do?
Yeah,
Oh, you know that. Let me speak. I am single, but I'm not interested in no man at the moment. We just want to work, get little money, and then we can talk about man.
Good thing, good. But tomorrow, I want to link me up a fancy yard.
Fancy you to live?
Yeah, up there, so.
Alright, really link for then.
Alright.
Yeah. What on a joke thing at the
No, man, serious thing.
Alright. Yeah. If me get that work, oh God, the first thing me I do on my ear. First thing I do on my ear. And then me buy two.
You for true. If I were you, I'd do my ear first.
Alright. And if they say nothing, the mercy of God. Right. So the first thing I do, girl, is my ear. That's when I do my ear, I throw in 2 pieces of bread, I peer that girl, watch. And the second thing I do, I buy some clothes, peer that girl. I
Show
throw in
me
2
once.
pieces of bread and the girl, them are mad.
I want Gucci slide. I tell that the
No,
cheap
mama,
person.
your money you have to use mine way. You have to cook food, what we are going to eat.
So you fi work.
And throw in 2 pieces of bread.
Put in here.
Yes, to make the girl them dead. So we can take a man.
I want Gucci slide so me can look rich.
You see, you told them how them ugly. That's if you stick to Crocs.
I'm gonna do one pedicure.
Remember saying I have no toenail pan one of the two of them. You have to stay to Crocs so the two of them hide. I say me now, me a hot girl from morning. You see, you disgrace me a while ago. Make somebody did that pass and see me now, me, you know, roll right or something.
If nobody a pass, I could do nothing.
Kelly, I no time now for argue. I no time for argue. We talk about when we get the work or we are going to spend your money on something, right? So what time tomorrow you think we're going to start work?
I don't know, right now I'm thirsty. My throat dry.
Yeah, ever thirsty? Oh, mommy, what?
You think so? I walk and look work.
We get one work.
Already?
Yeah, we get 1 month so we are going to start with tomorrow.
I'm so on the move. What kind of work can I get?
So normal work. He said me I go go one supermarket and she go one bar.
You know something, boy?
What?
We don't take my number.
You didn't even know him, but he said if me link him up at the yard. Mommy remember the yard name, but
Lord God, and I go work.
we can't remember.
Well, let's shop me I go. So, congratulations. When you come home, well, when we go shop and come back, when you still go there.
No man, we are going done by then.
Alright, we do a big cook up hunting.
Alright.
Proud or no?
But I buy no mackerel today no.
Oh God.
Well,
Well,
water for me, then make me thirsty, bad.
alright. Like how we're not big working girls, we can buy whatever we
Alright. Girl, a man says somebody yard up the sun. You remember the yard. Oh God, by the time you're good and go think.
Hello. Come here. We are eating. Okay, there? You know what day?
If
Yeah,
I
look at
tell
work.
you, say, I hit me there, I walk up and I look. Right now, I go up on one side up there, so. Out the full and say the rack half done. So I go at bottom and go see. I can get a little piece of work down there. If I try to board or something.
Whenever they ask about no work, boy, you say me thought it work for me.
Then they work me I talk about.
I said, okay, I don't want to say, I'm sorry. I'm too hot for that.
Then they used to any work Kayla.
What happened
No,
to
sir. Anyone,
If they want a body, I'll be available because I can fling 2 buckets and I can mix malta.
If they want nobody anything, then if you want to come back over here, come call you know.
So we are going to walk back and you go down this. And then we are going to hear say no, then no man no more somebody if you go walk come back up. You see your son hot? Is that they come back for it or you not come back for it?
I don't even know no from Adams. I him alone we know.
Where you are from?
You see my
long
one.
story, girl.
I don't know.
Long
I go down here.
story.
Yeah, later.
You know, see you want little sneaking girl. Where you know him from?
Girl, I want to be a walk. See, said boy, you see that one fast and forth. One of them, you walk.
Mm.
He said, we should ask me if you know it's stupid. You see the two of them turn up like they know they want that.
Are you stupid? Cause me no know none of them.
And you know, say me see him, I like him. But me I play hard.
Which one of them I like?
The black one.
Ah.
Clearly the black one.
So the brown one that look you. You know want the brown one. Anyways, I should have gone to the side to come girl before mommy come back down and come see. I can't go down.
Okay, I'm hungry.
Oh God, I'm tired. I can't believe I reached in before me.
This was see if I can.
No, dear.
What?
You know nonsense it's true. Got shop already?
Tired. Yeah, man.
So you left the things I'm in the kitchen?
Yeah, I'm leaving in the kitchen. And so
go sit down now.
I can't know see me come.
Sit down, man. No, man, that one is a big man.
Beat me, man.
Sure, mommy, and if you make me or pandemic, I can't take them body's life anymore.
Yeah, let me ask one question. You think it's hard to get to our work like going on a subject?
That is why when me then I tell you to take your book, you never want to listen.
You for shame me.
And come tell the boy in the past. It don't happen now, gone already.
Alright, you see when you have subjects and you qualify, yeah, you can't pick, choose and refuse. But hold on, me think sound to get work already.
Yes, but remember say the idiot never collect the number. And she see the friend and still never ask the number. So tomorrow now we have to go up there in case my pass. Cause the yard will say if we come, we need to remember the yard name. I remember it.
Oh no, I can get job and I can't remember. No, better start out to the memory here. But you need
I mean, I'm thinking of no work. Cause she said, man, the boy a friend, what she see. Oh, the boy and him for be friend and the boy look work and he give him friend work. But anyway, tomorrow we will know.
Who a scammer? The one that look work?
No, we don't say nothing about scammer, mommy.
Oh.
So, what you say now? What about the subject them? How we can get subject like how we left school already?
Like how I don't want to do menial work and wash people underpants like me. So I think the two of us will go hearts.
Hard school,
go get a sub, get a trade.
Hard school and money.
I'm not going to take it out of your head and put it on the floor and step on it and sweep it out the door. I'm not going to hurt. I'd rather go plant yam and banana and then something there.
I have land to plant them pan.
I will capture a piece of land. I'm not going back to no more school. I'm not going hard. I can't take that.
I don't have a problem to go back to the art school, right?
Perfect.
It's like what me alone I go send me know you will find a little money. She alright, cause she wanna go work in a bar. Me want to be a criminal lawyer. Me I really want to work in no bar no supermarket. Me don't want no Chinese. I look for me and tell me say me late. Me want to be one liar with the criminal them.
And Chinese have the mud, so you not have no problem.
Yes, not have no. And in the future, me maybe have to defend she.
Let me ask one question. You want to be a criminal lawyer? I will tell you one upon the victim side
or the criminal
side.
The criminal.
You're worthless.
How?
If one man shoot one man down the road, they go back him and stand him.
You have to have evidence why you shoot the man. You have to tell me why you shoot the man. You know, so sometimes in life when you take things wrong, because look on it now. Me I tell you what me want. You are a bad man, me, and say me selfish, right? You good to kill me. You alone are going to be available for talk why you kill me. You good like say me did eat a fish, make you kill me. Then again, me knows not myself. If me did living, me could have speak for myself. So you have to be available for the ones that cannot speak, so I can speak for them. There is two sides to each story. The man has to have a reason why he shoot the man down the road. You don't know if the man been a torment him and he just get fed up one day and he just bust a shot on him.
You better go say something.
Because hey,
the job there for you. You the time.
No man, shut the mouth to talk. From you have the brains, you do what you want to do.
Me know everything now, but that's why I go to school and learn. Don't she go and cook some food for me and you. She can go plant yam and banana.
And there is nothing wrong with farming. Everybody have to eat and money in the dirt. So if it's farming you want, God will find a way.
Your daughter Nana says, but she talk like always foolish.
No, I don't want you to berate her. You do your farming, you do your lawyer. You have the mouth and the brain straight.
Yes.
You'll find a way. Alright, make us start the part.
You didn't have sense, you would collect the man number. You damn need that. Oh, you never forget up. Alright. We can go to do to mommy and mom. Yeah. You know you're the outside already.
Yeah, man. Too hot in the house.
I think I want to talk to you. I have something I want to ask you.
Alright.
I want to ask you my killer here, right? Okay. Like I'm 18 now, right? I'm reach the age of consent and something. If me have one like a boyfriend, I can introduce him to you. You don't accept him or something.
Well, I know so you're a big girl now and you have your feelings and things. So I know so this day would come. So from you like him, would accept him. But the one thing me not tolerate, for you or Kayla, you see any man and they name D, any man thinks so they can pass them place and rank with you, my baby them, and put them hand pan for me picnic them. But you see from him now put him hand pan you and not disrespect you and Kayla in any way. Of course if I have your man, when it's human you're gonna have feelings. Of course.
So You don't have a problem if I have a boyfriend then.
A boyfriend, yeah.
No, I don't really have none. Me just ask yourself if you have a problem.
From them no trouble you and do.
You have
this.
man?
Yes. But you just come like some
Mommy,
Uh-huh.
you just give me an idea. Mommy, I see a boy what I like from the other day, but I
You don't even know a sentence. I say boy what I like, or I say boy that I like.
Voila, never mind. Your sister share. Go on.
You see one boy I like from the other day, but me I play hard then.
Yes,
Must
you know,
stop
it's too
play hard
easy.
then. No, I stop play hard then. No, I bring it home. That just there.
Yeah, as we tell your sister, from them not touch you and them not abuse you, because then we will have to unalive. Silla. So from them I treat you right. Now say fall in love and get married straight away.
Yeah.
Experience life, yes. You have to know what life is, so you like him.
Yes, we see my like, but me not tell him as yet.
Alright. Don't play too easy to get, but don't play too hard either. Know the balance.
Yeah.
Alright.
So me I go on the radio coming
No, you can't go on.
by himself.
Me bad.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
You sure you don't want to come?
No, I'm okay.
Okay.
And share rate the yard. You're good. As I was saying, do your thing, baby, but be wise.
Yes, mommy.
Alright.
As soon as you have one of you first, I'm going to know.
Oh gosh. Annette. Yeah, sit down in the dirt. Sit down.
Yeah, get up and sweep up, man.
Hello. What wrong?
We have moved to her.
I never get any in the last time. Man, I remember when
You know me the first time me a chat here. You remember me?
Tagger.
The time when you up there, my friend a chat here. I just did all listen. Like me say, you remember me?
Oh, come on, me see somewhere about between that
Me
chat.
there look at jerk festival. So.
Oh, did you? No, me know you're from. So I go on, you
And
good?
me there sell the same thing. There.
So I go
Yeah,
on,
so
you
you
good?
don't wanna sell a man.
So I go on, you good?
Me there I don't want to chop down with one. To buy
You what?
some material to go for me.
So you know, see me there in time. Hot. I can't buy more juice. Like a time hot, sun hot and stuff. I buy more juice.
Before we go to juice, we'll talk about me and your fear thing.
Oh, well, you know, me see I like it if you
I
want.
mean, see you like,
Me see I like you back.
you like me back now, all of a sudden you like me
Yeah,
back.
I like you
You
back.
know, but I'm my friend. So my friend I tell me say he might chat and
No. Nope, we're not talking. You see me diss him up. You see me diss him up. Me don't want a man like them there. Oh. But anyways.
yeah, still me can buy a friend so to buy a, I'll give me back your number. So you have phone?
Yeah, but me left here, me now walk on the road. Come again, number.
Of course, yeah. It's a long time so I want to see you back in. So I have to pass some material. You buy some sand. You go for me or the water. So I'm a building veranda.
Hello, pa.
So I look for.
What that?
Oh, that's to buy one bag juice. No. Buy one bag juice. I'll me say that for exchange.
Me buy me one juice on the shop there, so.
Hey, me buy a juice.
$50?
Buy a fruit bag juice. Two bag juice. You put them in a one cup full of ice. Cool down. Clear. Fresh.
So how you come look me and you buy me bag juice? How you come look me and buy me bag juice? And I went on money now.
You see thing with uno woman, uno ungrateful.
Me not ungrateful.
Because you say you're thirsty and me I buy you something so you can drink. It's in a bag juice or soda, whatever. You can drink it and cool down.
But no, you have money. You could buy a bigger juice or a big juice. But don't worry.
Next time, me can buy a
No, about that. Next time,
yeah,
you know?
like
hush, man. Hush. Me not ungrateful.
Stop being ungrateful.
Me just go pretend, say, me not here where you say, me know say I have the money. Me just come on, buy the juice. Come on, buy the juice.
Exchange, take me now first. Me not have phone.
I'm put in my big guy them. Me not say me not bring my phone with me.
Yeah, phone.
Me have phone, me leave it at yard, take mine.
I leave my phone at yard.
Jesus Christ. Tell me a
probably
number.
Alright. 804 66 66.
Okay, me remember. 804 66 66.
My number that.
Right, come on, come buy juice.
So maybe I wait for the truck still on me and them should come in.
Come on, go buy one bigger juice, man. Come, I know you have it.
Just go on. Me have to wait for the truck. The truck out party, so we can material up on my yard and I know what I miss.
So, no, man. I'm
You don't hear me and say?
Alright, come and tell you what to do then. Me will left the juice last. Go take a walk, go up your yard, we go look for the material.
Understand.
Go up your yard.
The truck will come. Me have to wait for the
No, the truck, no. Come go up your yard, you come on and me go up your yard.
Listen.
Go up your yard.
Oh God, it's so wild. Never walk up on Kayla. What's she got?
Boy, get up there, sister. Yo, hello.
Huh? Hi.
We're to go back to your work.
And I link you back, you know, your number. Remember, so we didn't get a number.
So I never tell them to come here.
We don't remember which part they say. So we never get to come. And I don't know my sister gone. And she did a walk and look for me. I don't see her.
I'm glad she gone because she's full of attitude. And I'm glad we book you one because I find them to tell us I like you. And I'm here for your part. Yeah, and me I tell you the truth. I like to get a baby from you.
You're gone too far now. You see the like part? That's alright, but I don't think I can't have no baby right now because as I can see, I mean, I'm my sister and my mother. My mother raised Chloe by herself. We live in a 1.5 bedroom. My mother give me the biggest one and have a little cabinet for herself. If you breed me now, when me I carry the technical?
You not afford if me breed you now, you got it on my yard.
Oh, you live somewhere? Ah, so I can I also have?
Don't worry about that one. You don't need for it.
Well, it seems like a nice person. We can talk, you know, and get along, try to know each other. But the baby part, we think about that the next 2 years.
See if I'm comfortable over the summer, man.
Oh, so you don't want to meet my mother or something? Because you seems nice. Mother like to carry you to my mother.
What do you think about that?
No, you have to come. You have to come now.
Alright, where should it?
She there, but she yard. Come. Not too far from her to so.
Alright.
Alright, there's some leave, right? Oh, this is my mother. Hello. So, yes, so mommy, so the boy, me tell her, say me like, and him a look me. So, me carry him to introduce him to you, so me can see if me can get your blessing or something before we gonna further.
Okay, well, as Shanice said, I'm Charmaine, her mother.
I'm Tibi.
Tibi, pleased to meet you. I'm glad you bring him to me, as
Yes.
you said you would.
Yeah.
But you see, for blessing, to be honest, you have to see some improvements. Me not gonna lie.
What happened now,
Young man, you did tell him says me I carry meat?
Yeah. Just
Young
like
man.
our father got to come as you are, me make him come as he is.
Young man, you see when you're going to meet the mother and big people, please and thanks. Know where your trousers down your knee. Pull up your trousers when you're going to big people house. You see? Come when I want to see your body and your underwear. They call underwear. Me don't need to see it. And your foot them, your shoes them don't even fit. Thank you for bringing him and introducing him to me. But if this is a serious thing, Tibi, you say your name?
Yeah.
Okay. I like how you stand there and take it and have manners to some extent. But you see, when you come into big people house, you have to dress better, my dear. And you're going to walk the street with my child, please and thanks. When at least me can't tell you what to do outside, but at least when you're walking with my baby, please pull up your pants, man, and dry on your shoes. Make your shoes good.
Give me a minute, let me show me.
Alright.
Just want to talk to you.
I'm sorry if you remember that. It's just such a steer.
You know something, I can't go home, because I don't like how you make your mother deal with
Ah, I'll talk to her. We see her tomorrow.
Tomorrow,
Yeah, maybe we just have to talk without she. Because I just saw my mother stay. I have to just understand.
Alright.
Alright. Mommy, come here. You know, so we do while like I wasn't right. You could have at least jam me one side and say it to me. You never have to say it in front of him.
Me know, baby, but me never expect you to bring him. So me never me expect you to pick up a good looking man.
But him, yes, him good looking. Him brown and me black. The baby will have nice complexion.
And not that you for look for.
Who for look for?
You for look for responsibility, man. From me see me
He
spirit.
have him 1 yard. He say if me for breed for him right now.
And I thought breed already. And that's why my spirit never take him. That's why, girl, me can't choose for my daughter. And me can, you ask my opinion and me give it. Huh? Him really gonna come meet you. I surprise you, surprise him. Him really did not say it's your mother him come meet. With him back to your door.
It's the same steer, same original steer. What him to do? Dry it up for please.
Yes.
Oh,
you
next
don't
time
come
you
to
know.
big people.
Alright, maybe tomorrow I will change. Go on in, mommy.
You want to see
right
that?
now.
You want to see that? Oh, tired.
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
I want to talk about something.
Yes.
Remember the guy when we carry come show you?
Mm-hmm.
I think me and him are gonna stop talk because I find out say I know in this end look customer service work, but another type of work in then do.
What kind of working book?
Scam.
Hey!
I think me want no police lock me
No,
up.
no, 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 no. No, no, no.
Me think me I gonna let him go and then say mothers know best, so me just come here to talk to you so you can tell me what you think right.
Shanice, I'm glad so you come to me. But that is why I teach you and Kayla follow your spirit first time. Remember, so we meet him, I never like him first.
But mommy, you see boy we carry come show you. I him me did like, but he never liked me and he told you. So
Well, baby, there's plenty good man in the sea. Good man no short. Them just too and far between. Here, you might have to find and search till you find one. Or you might be lucky and you go through a bad one now, and the next one you find treats you better. But yes, I agree with you. That's sure the Tibby one.
yeah, man,
Him no good.
work with him.
Anything no start good at morning, now go end good at evening. I mean, never like him from the first time me see him.
Anyways, mommy, just that many come to talk to you about me. I go on and come back.
Alright. Yeah, man, me think see you doing the right. Me grow you with sense. I never like him in the first place. God, no rest for the wicked. Yes, baby.
What do you?
What wrong?
I think many man have a go work. You know I go work out at all, mommy. You know I go work. He nice and everything, but you see what him want and that me want. He want me there in a grunt. Me not a farmer girl. Me not find that right now. Me am now go work at all.
So if the hard working one now go work with you, what you want? You know what? No man,
Me
none
don't want
at
a
all.
man none at all. Probably in the future me
Okay.
find another, but me don't want a man right now. But mommy, between me and you, you know what I realize something about Shanice, man.
What about him?
A scammer.
Hey! How you know so scammer that?
Mommy, you see chain around your neck? I hope your man ain't go forget that chain around your neck.
Hey, me did think so, you know, me did have a feeling about
Yes,
that, you know.
type of chain around your neck. Big chain. You know they ain't go forget that chain there?
Where?
Me don't know about hobby, man.
Jeez, me did tell you, me feel something about him, you know. anything that start good a morning can't end a good a evening.
I am money, you know, but you see my sister, I don't know what going on fear head about how she don't like ask man for money. She a idiot.
She right, me's grown up to be independent. And me glad say she not got to that there for money. Eh? Little more than that him hold her down and do whatever else. No, so me glad to them done.
I'm so glad to my man I'm gonna talk to never stay to come. You know what thing go when I'm gonna talk to in the art in the influence.
Nice one.
Yes, in the influence me to be independent.
So what's wrong with that?
You do something, mommy. Now that every relationship you're not gonna know it has stuck into mean. You not no money and me want money to mean. But you see fear man no, I'm just so glad to hear me like I see a fear man. Fear man can influence Shani to go do things in
Yes. Yeah, from me see me never like that. From me see that me not like that. That's why we glad of prayer, my daughter, prayer. God is a mighty God. Me pray upon it, you know. Me pray upon it. And look how God work it. And she and him left. The only thing me disappointed. Yes, they left. She gonna leave him.
Thank God.
She gonna leave him.
Thank God.
I'm glad. Cause me not want influence, but me be pray upon it.
Thank God so much. Me say, mommy, I may have to say about it too. Me not like him. From man, me see me still want to take him.
No, me not like him.
I know me not like to. Why you hope over the too long? For the moment he come in here, you shall taste if you not come back in your yard.
Let me
You
tell
go
you.
sacrifice your hope your people.
No. Let me
get
tell you
rich.
something. You see, God's power, nothing can be God's power. No matter who him want pray to. And you see, if me was one of them mothers that come and say, no, they'll push Shanice for closer to him. Make she find him out on her own. And so my mother and father raised me have to make my mistakes on my own. And then they for guide. With his parents, they for guide. You have to walk your path.
Well, I say go, mommy.
Well, I'm glad you find out, but me have to go really pray and cleanse.
Shanice. Evening, Miss Shamian.
Good evening.
Shanice here.
No, she ain't there. She gone out with her boyfriend.
Her boyfriend. Where you get that from?
So you never know, say my sister never want you. Never know say she have a man. She a play, you know. She got up and with her man. You come like a the baboon.
Must joke you make.
And a joke me I make.
Charge you. Alright then.
Yeah.
Look more.
Look more.
Look, I never know, say.
I mean, shut up and look at him down.
I'm done. Me never know, sir. So your mouth sharp. You do right still, but me never know, sir. So you bad.
Yeah.
Boyfriend, you really make sure him now come back.
Up with you in no foolishness. He got to go and going to go.
Me not gonna come back after that.
Right.
Me say when you say boyfriend, me never know where to put my head.
So you put it.
You know, see when me put it, me just turn my head and make you talk, cause you have it under control.
Well, I say go, mommy, but right now me I go on the road.
Alright, be careful. But boy, I can't do it like you, you know.
Oh.
Eh? How what if you get Shanice in trouble?
Shanice
Yeah?
not getting no trouble.
What if you get Shanice in trouble with what you say?
What me say? What me say no wrong?
If you're running me something, but me not like how you drop Shanice in it, so you could have come out with something better. Than
Better
Shanice
like what?
boyfriend. Because look how me I turn my head.
Mommy, you lucky if you want to come here to come on your head. You don't know what is best.
No, sir, what do you mean me don't know what is best? Me is the mother. You have to, well, when you're handing a lion more girl, you have to take time dry it out. But we just say, Imina, you don't know, what am I going to do now? You make him mad with Shanice. If you think sometimes, you know, sometimes your mouth go before your brain. Me no say run him, yes. Come in and want her with her, she don't want him. But if you use your mind, cause you're handing a lion mouth, you don't know what am I going to do.
Why can't go to more than sacrifice her?
And that you want?
I'm missing if I go to scammer. That's my business.
You know what crossed my mind too? Me kinda feel a little bad.
Boa.
We not no proof say my scammer and obey a man. Eh? What if we blame a boy wrongfully and then go send him to Shanice in a temper?
Listen to me, mommy.
Maybe we shouldn't have said that because we might have judged him wrong, you know.
No, me. We not judge him wrong, we judge him right. It means a scam. Me say this to you too. You see, if him a working honest money or he honest bread, anything where you want to say,
Then we're
anyway,
wrong.
or anyway you want to put it, in the working honest money. You know why? Cause he can't just get up and go up on the phone and say, send me some money. No, I say go and hold I friend people them full. Some of them have sense and some of them wise. You have to get on the phone and I work hard and I put in the right word and I work. So I work for honest money.
Honest is a strong word.
You know
Here,
who me think
you might
are the
work
people
for
them?
money, but you're not honest.
You know who me I think are the people them? The people them at the bank. And them the people are people.
You
So you
have
must
an
know.
idea. You have an idea, but still.
Still you
all
chat
that-
too much.
Remember who you talk to. You can be 19, you could be 59, you're still your mother.
Me don't know a good mood. Me don't know me in mind that you upset me, but me not upset with you, but you get to me better now.
Space, you
So,
need your space.
You know the best thing
And
me
you
do?
need to take
I
your
go
foot
find
out
the
of my
road.
face while you're at it before my hand
Cause
fly.
I'm with you right now.
Ranking out order. Ask him if it's true. No, sir. I forgot to talk to Shanice when she come home. I don't like it.
Hello.
Hi.
Which part is sister then?
Me look like my sister
I'm
keeper.
overgrown and then me look. Me don't see her.
Oh, you know why? Because my sister do not like work. Yeah, you see that type of grown business there? My sister not gonna do that for too long. My sister just gonna do that for 1.5 years and expect
Tell
say,
me say she agree if you work and deal with the crops good. No, she does feel like say she can take up herself. And
oh well, you know if you tell her say, but you should understand say that is just my sister. She do not like to do plenty of work. My sister just a go like, yeah, make me talk here now, go make me.
Money.
Yeah, make me talk right now, make me talk.
Yeah.
Let's stop me from. My sister do not like to work. She like money. She want to do. You see like how me can beat Banit. My sister not go want beat no panic. Yeah, she want a good slide. And she want all those things.
before
My
you
sister
done
not
that,
go
before you
do
done
the
that,
grown business for too long.
Yeah, me I say. Still. And you really like it. From me see
So
her.
how you did feel like me and go there with my sister?
No, it's your sister there show more interest.
Oh.
That's right.
Well, I guess I your loss. I'm sorry to say, but you see, I'm telling you something about my sister now. You see, my sister, she's just about money. You see, she had say she beg your bag juice and them things then. Can better say never bag juice she beg you. I just you buy her bag juice. And bag juice she beg you?
You say she want big juice.
See?
but
My
that me
sister
coulda
not used
afford.
to, my sister grew up in a poverty. She expects say a man go take her out of poverty like this. And she come out of poverty. When I see back my sister, I don't know if she did know, but yes, when I see her, just wait till she asks you for something. So when she asks you for something, you tell her say no see her so because you don't have no help in the farm, so you don't get to sell nothing for a morning. And you hear how she angry. Me I come go over and look about something give my mother, because if she alone, my mother dead for hungry.
When you talk, Shami, I don't know why I never pick that one.
Hello. What one? Okay.
Boy, I can't believe you left me in a gum.
Well, I want to work on that. Anyway,
Look,
then I have
before
no
you
money.
tell me say yeah, go away. I understand.
Ask if I have no money. Want of money.
Me don't have no money right now because even if I have help, me could have get to go market to do something. You're gone.
Where's the while I got to go?
Me don't have no money. You may go market, me don't have money.
What you mean by you not have no money?
You
What you mean by that?
know,
What you mean by that?
me not have no
You see, little
money.
time me and you there, me realize me here can't do. My toe want to do more newspapers, more Gucci said, and all of me can't get a Gucci said. You know, see your broken paparazzi boy? It's a good for nothing boy. Oh, you feel no money? You're a big man. How you feel no money?
Me meet her with ear do Yeah, newspapers.
How we really take this thing for? Me shouldn't there with you.
Plenty of things so it take time, you know. A slow season, you know. Slow season with the farming, and so you understand. You come in the ground with me. And now you say, me not get you nothing.
Hello. Me and if it 2 weeks, no, I'm in a relationship, I go nowhere. This not work. You know what I do? Me out there with your friend. Cause him have money. Cause you see your friend, he have a big chain round neck. That means he go a hub your man. Must scammer. Why you never gonna do that?
You know what he might do to get the money?
Me no business. He have the money and go and spend it on me. Me no business.
You're a young girl, you know.
Don't care.
Money, you know, greedy.
Who greedy?
Oh no, how to hold out with that man.
Are you good with that broke pocket man? You are good for nothing broke pocket man. You don't have nothing.
And you know, say, me have the money.
You know
Me
what?
have money could I give, you know. Me have money could I give, but you see,
That's not money.
That's
not money.
No, me
that's
have
not
more.
money. That's 3,000. 3,000 is not money.
Me have
I'm say this
more.
to you.
Don't worry yourself.
All you want to do is dig. When you never go scam like your friend. When they cause of him me I go there with.
Me no want
Him
scam.
me I go there
Me
with.
no want
And what you want to do? Dig dirt. You can reach off of dirt. When you
Me
dig
can
dirt,
reach
you
off
are
a
rich.
farm, in a farm, and that me want to do.
I don't know why me pick up on crosses like a you in my life. What me doing something like a you? You know, we can't pick up me and put on
You
wig
know
on my
why
head.
next thing is you're too ready, aye. You're too ready, aye. That me
You see me, I look red, I look.
ready,
You look big and white and black. Simple as
Because
that.
you see, with money, you want money. Fast money you want.
Yes.
You don't want the money where we have
Slow money is no money. Slow money is no money.
You know
Fast money,
hard
want.
working money. You want
He work
fast money.
hard for that.
Go
He work hard.
Go and get the fast
I
money.
think I do. I hit me go and look for back it up
Yeah.
pan. So
Go
glad
on.
me never give you nothing.
Pack it up on you.
Jeez.
When what come with the fast money, I hope say you accept it too. I can't believe this a girl. Look how you just paint that good picture. I know it just turn out bad. No sir. He come like grammar zone without a label on it.
The sun gets hot like a so.
You're sitting with the sun hot.
We never really hot did it at first.
I love how you take your book though.
Yeah, I'm just look back over things them. So
Right, Trish. You know how we have to manage. We don't have nothing in the house. I just this we did buy the other day. And me try keep back some for you and your sister.
no want that feet, mommy. Eat up for the belly.
No, me can't eat I'm not hungry.
I'm not really hungry no. Just wish life could have better.
God. I pray for that every day. But we just have to turn my hand behind me, make fashion. You just have to share this with your sister for now. Me will drink tea. I'm gonna share this with your sister for now when she
Alright,
comes.
mommy, but mother like some mother prefer the tea, not little gas.
So maybe cut some serious with this.
Yeah, so
Yeah, right. Alright.
I wanna try.
No, nothing there. So
And no grab nothing
no,
from
no
me.
grab. I something I did buy the other day.
Other day? So mommy not there?
No, me save it for share, for no for share.
So not there for eat? You're blind?
Nothing
Where you
there,
come
baby.
from? You could eat there. I work me there look. Work. So mommy she can't go look work just to see me too. I mean alone. Listen to me and listen to me good. I don't have time to walk up and down and look no work.
Okay, where we walk?
Work will come to me. Me use phone and bookies and look work. You see, like a magazine, then me looking at that for work. You don't need to see my book.
Okay.
You have a book?
A man number and a book.
Me don't even have a phone.
I like girl that tell.
Alright.
You know, look your work.
Done the argument. Me can't take it. Me hungry. Me feel bad. And me can't take the excitement. What wanna go eat? Me I go pick some cerasee and boil some tea.
Me and she say I buy crackers too.
Me I got to go down and have whiskey and see if we can trust something.
Crackers and what?
Me, like you know, hear me say me I go pop down some cerasee.
And give who? No, mommy. Me too good for that.
You too good.
No,
Where you are gonna eat then?
Me hit in the air.
Where you are gonna eat?
I mean,
Want
do
that.
not worry. Go on for the crackers and pick the bush and make some tea. We'll drink some of the tea, bust little gas. Go on and come. Go on and come.
So where you
I
are gonna
just
eat?
want ginger beer and one sausage.
Mommy, do not trust no ginger beer, no sausages. Where you come from?
You know, you say I work there.
Yeah.
When I done
work.
the argument, me I go shop. Can you hand take this?
Sure.
Hi.
Alright.
Come on, tell you something, man.
You have to remind me.
It's a long time we don't see you. You know, mommy? Look at me good, man. Look at me face.
Your face no look strange, but my head not dead. My head not dead. You have to go remind me.
Must a long time I left here. Long time. My name is Toga. I usually come over here and play with the picnic them also.
Sarah, son.
Yeah.
Where you stretch and grow to?
You
grown man.
Yeah, let me see how I come over the road.
Wow, how your mother, how everybody?
To come over there and my mother used to do some liquor. I sleep over them more time, man.
I have to save you from beating more time. Oh God, you look
just
good.
about a week now, I come back in my place now.
Okay, so you're still living back at the old place or you moved somewhere
I
else?
move, come back, man. I know me now to get the place to move.
Yeah man, you have to remember
You
your
know?
roots. You have to remember your roots.
So, how is everything alright?
Yeah man, yeah give thanks, but to be honest, rain a fall but dirty talk. You know them right away.
My man, the place time rough and all, no?
But we give thanks for life. You
So,
just
how your daughter?
them alright, them
Alright.
good, yeah man. Two of them still like get trouble same way. We just go down to the shop to see if we can trust a little, you know?
Never
You know
trust?
how it goes. Yeah man.
So, how your daughter them live with the same man?
Yes, them are big girls, not as big as you, but they are big girls now.
Right, she must have me want to look for still enough time. Like, I want Shanice. You over the same?
Yes. So what, you did like Shanice?
Yeah, we like.
Hey.
I could have talked to her from here.
Now the truth come out why you always over my yard and me think I'm a pot.
Always over. Tell me always over the few food to see. You know?
Well, you're what? Me I go walk down the road. I know said the girls them will be happy to see you.
Yeah, man.
So go surprise them, man.
Me never check out over there too, man.
I go down to the shop, got your soup crackers and come back. We'll see you.
But, yeah, I'm better with my crackers. Let's grab some food today.
You sure?
Yeah, man, sure. Let's grab some food today. At $15,000. There's your
So much?
supermarket. Yeah. You can't have your me usually come over here and I'm not hungry, you know?
Oh God, God bless you. You don't know what you do. Oh God, God bless you. All right, you have a stay for dinner here. Go down.
Me come over.
Oh God, you don't know what you do.
Just go down to
All right. Yeah, me I
yeah.
come. Go down. Me I go cook dinner for you. Me I
right.
come. God good.
Tell me, yeah.
Hi.
Remember me?
Yeah, what you got here? Big head Jamie.
Who?
Big head Jamie.
You know your dog. I took your dog.
Toga?
Come on, that son.
Really? Toga, when you used to come over here?
You see one.
Oh.
That one right now.
Oh, me have to rake you before my mother comes. My mother comes, she a go rake you. Me can't, my mother do so much work.
Put on room and sit there now.
Really? I look at Toga when you used to come over here. That when you come over here, mother beat you.
You remember me?
So what, Mo?
Yeah, what?
Yeah, right. Yeah, me good.
Yeah.
Me can't believe say Toga this.
Me see your mother on the road.
So you get
your
some-
mother frightened if you know say me. Frightened.
Say to me, mother?
Yeah.
Oh,
Say she
so
dey go a shop and something and me get her because she dey trust her.
I would actually want to go to some. I would.
You know what
A Toga, you remember Toga? Toga? Yeah, Toga. I think that's somebody special, girl.
I get bigger.
It's special to me.
Cause long time you want a boy.
In a long time, want him, a long time, me and him did that talk. You jealous?
Wanna go and Toga?
There, you good?
Alright. Good door. Everything.
You grew up on there.
Yes, man. So, we can't even talk now. We're here on the business.
So,
We no business of the day.
Talk.
how things?
Things is kind of worse than before, you know. No. Mommy never have no, it's not job out. Mommy never have no money, right? So she never get to pay no school fee, and the principal say me have to stop come to school unless my mother can pay the school fee for all the years that she never did a pay for.
I got 30,000 off his school fee.
And 3 years she never
And I
pay.
3 years she never pay for.
Because when you look at it, mother normally give me food and need something. So any little thing that I can help with, I go do it. Because I come back and I left school and I want a nurse.
You're a nurse?
Go to school and you know,
One
come
pain in
back
my throat, I don't know what. You can tell me what happened?
down.
It feels sore.
Then a sore throat?
I mean, they drink bad water, they drink them water they drink a pipe, no good enough.
No, I don't
So you
have
have
that.
germs in your throat.
No germs, only germs in my throat are she.
You build up back.
Me no need
That's
throat.
why your throat
But
gets
anyway, so you live back in that area now or you just come visit?
Come back down now.
Hey, you come back in the ghetto?
But me soon gone though. I spend like a time down here with people there.
Oh, so y'all won't come down here and your partner?
No, no partner.
Oh, so you don't get the baby then?
No, sir.
Oh,
Say
No
for the
time for
partner.
that. I'm going to go to college, you know. College, me left go. And after I did work.
Say another partner.
You know, hear me I say?
Oh.
But still and still,
Son
me
at.
come fix me and give her little money to get to run for things. I don't know if you run up or nothing or whatever. Go perfume, look at this and that, you know?
Yeah,
You see
I know
me
that's
idea,
some
man.
couple things.
So, can't have this change it. Let's go down here.
So you used to start, you used to get paid, no?
15,000. Yeah. That's
Hello.
America, me there, no? So, you take that and change
Toga,
out.
excuse me. You know, feel like some more money too? Me
No
look
money,
like more
sister.
money.
We're going to change and she gives us
She not go share,
Girl, me go buy cologne, pad, roll-on, and them necessary things. A couple
Just
new
put your
jars
money in
and
your
something for you.
Put your money in.
You can buy your one
Feel like some
cologne.
more, so you can give me something to put in my pocket too.
She go change it and give you something. You
What
know
she
your
give me?
sister now.
Tell
Me
me.
not giving you no money, I am buying
Okay,
your
so-
needs.
Me see one crux and me want it.
You need a Crocs?
Yes.
You need a
Me
pad
need
more than a
it.
Crocs.
Me have body papa.
But anyways,
Stop it.
I still say she stay from before, vulgar. She have her money now. I lie, look good.
Listen me.
A old man coming at this, and which man me have?
Yeah, mass draw
Come on, nobody not ask me about a man. Nobody not talk about a man.
So just use that take care.
Alright, me go rake up here before mommy come. Cause me no want mommy
It's
come
so
rake
come
up.
Come on, like, yeah, money, like, can see me and she come. No, I'm not go to ya, man.
That's the
I see him to sister. She not really changed, but as me I said, mama rake up here before mommy come. Cause me can't let mommy walk go shop, walk come back and fear rake up here. If I she alone, the yard no rake.
Like you stay in the you know?
Yeah.
So me see you still probably about look more so.
I poop. You're still nasty.
Like me have look yes.
Not
I
that.
really suck a bit.
You're still a very good dirty yes. Still nasty.
But you can't follow me go this catch up a little bit.
Alright, come.
Try some.
I'm not too one talk to the end of the year. I'm coming with TT. She should not. Best friend I ever had. He never ever fails me. He never makes me sad.
Oh, you look so miserable and me so happy.
I'm hungry.
Oh God, you ever hungry? Let's we come back with a shopping bag. You see, are crackers in there? Or food? You have to cook up.
Mommy.
When I did,
Listen, mommy. You remember Black Tugger?
see him.
Clean him body and give him food for him. Then he a piece of jam. He come over here today. He my sister out here talk. And I come out here think of somebody special. And I know say Tugger for about 15,000 I give the sister.
Hey, me no say, I him make this possible too. I him make this possible to my girl. Me I walk to the shop and I pre-home me I got
Oh,
to.
so you get money from him too?
How you think me get this?
Okay.
Remember say trust me, I got trust biscuit from K shop.
Okay. So I'm ignorant.
What do you mean are you in
Everybody get 15,000 and people $5 and I give me eat ball. So me mommy, me heart or something. You feel Shanice deserve that?
What do you mean by?
She deserve that.
What do you mean by?
Me ask her if I feel she could get the 15,000 or me.
Hold on, what you do for deserve that? Because me
I go
remember,
and look
hold on,
for
stick a pin. Me remember say, Tugger and Shanice used to run up and down and play when you highty-tighty. And because them are running at the dirt and them are run round in the dirt and I play go kart and thing, you two toes. So you couldn't do that. Now you vex with her because if her friend come check her.
A bad condition, mommy. She shouldn't get it fitted. What happened to me? Me not look good though.
So hold on. This is a
I try what
lesson.
he did.
This is a lesson. You treat people good on the way up. When you pass them on the way down, cause look there now. Tugger used to come to we for food and we used to look after him. And the same way so used to froze you up with him. Pick me have memory in our memory too. Now come look, we dump on our backside and Tugger make this possible. You turn to there. You're lucky him even far upon you.
You know something I realize? How should I get the money? Oh God. Mommy.
You and me I look for.
Oh God, I know you had me a come over here to go.
Hold on, before you're going to the house, me want to talk to you.
What one?
Tugger did come here today?
Yeah, and come look for me and say see up on the road. Me and him did go down a little shop, go sit down a little bit.
And him give you money?
Yeah, and give me money for buy some, instead of buy powder and perfume and roll up for me and my sister.
Between her, my daughter, you know. But TT, you have to watch your back with her, you know. She says some things me not like. Him never give her no money.
No, mommy, give me $100 US and some for buy things then for me and her. If money leave, we can split it up.
So hold on, him actually say for you, the money is for you and her?
Yeah. What she told us say?
Me not know where she get her mindset from. But she become like say she take her father's side of thinking. Watch your back with her. And your sister and my daughter. Watch your back with her.
Yeah. No, man.
She jealous.
That would have to do with me, mommy.
Are you shut up?
So what you want me to do? I'm
and
tell Tugger say. So what you want me to tell Tugger say? Don't give my sister because she's bad.
And that me I say, me just tell you for watch your back. Mind your pee and your cues. You see people face, you know, see them heart. And TT start to show her heart, I mean I like it, so me I warn you.
You don't worry about sheesh. Can't do me nothing later. Me go freshen up and thing. You cook because you saying give money for buy things for cook.
Yes.
So you eat.
Christmas come, me girl. Go look. Yes, baby.
Alright, me go bed and then me go eat.
Now go look at the kitchen first.
Alright, mommy.
Me get your favorites. Hey.
Yeah. No, me out the door. I don't really like that's in a long time. I don't really eat ice cream. Yeah, them the years, not us.
So what you want to talk to?
What problem?
Who you talking to?
Me I talk to Tugga, what problem? Give me a minute, this time. Before call her back.
Alright.
You exchange number already?
What problem? You jealous?
Me not jealous.
So what problem?
So me can have a man on phone me too.
Mama, what you want a man for? Tell me.
What you want a man
Me
for?
not want a man, me not have no man. Me
So
and
what
Tugga is
you
not
talk to
dating.
Tugga for?
You want Tugga?
Let me get it.
Yeah! For do what?
Oh, you want Tugga and you got money?
That with you know, you want a man for money. Why you not go look at work?
Every day I go up on the road I work, me looking up.
Me not think at work you look, mama. You sound like a man you look.
If me look, me get man long time.
So why the
Tugga,
one
me
man that talk to me is a problem to you?
Cause you're not suitable for him,
But you're not suitable either. Look on your head.
I mean, I watch when the 40-inch bus don't come.
What the argument
You
for?
see, same
And
thing.
the
You want
subtext.
5-inch bus. You don't even say when you get money, you buy a better stove. You see, you think about yourself. Me think about for we.
Hi.
Oh, you get Tugga.
So,
Oh, you gonna get him. Oh, you not have him yet.
A man will not argue a stick a pin. A man will not argue over a
Me
Tugga.
not
Will not argue over.
over no. Me
every
not share
time you
no
come stick
argue.
a sticky pin for she don't want me get no man. He
So
want
what
to
you
follow
a
this,
each
he
man
say,
for?
How much he have so can't take so much man.
What you a each man for?
Me
She
not
tell you
each
say
man.
she tell you say she and Tugga there. Them a childhood. Them
Them dey
share
back when I talk.
them share the same cart together.
Me and
Them
share
a
the
rap
same
That's in
together.
your head.
Together.
Clap that. Here, clock it.
Man, I know where this attitude come from, little girl, but if you change it, me not like
I'm find out from the
it.
other day you have side. I feel like when you come in with belly, you not say no.
I hope when you
When me come in with me belly, a US a man me pick me. That's why me man have US.
Mama, a power and go man. Remember that.
But you not a man.
Me not a man. Don't make that fool.
done the argument over man.
So what you want,
Cause
Tugga?
you not forget no man.
Oh no, a sister man. You go east and you say yes. You go east.
But
But
then
no,
you say we
sister
are
and you argue over man.
I feel like say I want the man to you can go about my business.
Girl, don't rank with me. You pass your place and forget who me be.
Mommy, this Tugga did ask about you and did I ask you for eat already or something? Telling me yes.
Bless him.
Yes, I hear me did that talk to her and she come here and interrupt me.
And that me I tell you, you know, and you take my words lightly.
Mommy, she can't
Me
do
not like certain things she come from. Yes, I me love her, but me not like certain things. Me not like her ways. Watch your back.
Mommy, she cannot do me nothing. Alright. Come, we are going. Go look for breakfast.
Just think
Now tell
about it.
she. Anyway, she go, she name there.
Oh boy.
How you look so? Yeah. You remember man your name Tugga? Final school.
Oh, Tugga is up his bed. I up with your sister. I want to
I
him.
say what day we see my dad. You come back saying just come back here.
Oh, with him
What
box
kind of
self.
that? And then see him all Tugga, you know.
I want you Tugga.
Different Tugga we have money.
Oh,
Me not talk
wow.
about Jamaican money, you know, me talk about US dollars.
Rich now, fully rich out.
Rich
We have a
out.
fame still because a long time I his bed.
You don't know say income person give mommy 15,000. And then what day I give sister 15,000. Something wrong with me?
No? It does
Him
not
and my
matter.
sister in a teens. Oh, a good something that then, girl.
I know good sitting.
A long time them a talk. Franny smile so to up you so them a talk. So why you bad man your sister?
I know bad man my sister, but me look better than her. Me up there, she down there, so me are the perfect match for Tugger.
The only difference between the two is that one short and mad and one and you know you're just tall and innocent.
Girl, me if I should not do that.
Tell the truth. Girl, me and your friends, let me tell you the truth. The truth is that you're not different from your sister.
The truth is what the man.
Well, you're bad man, and the reason I say that is because your sister and him there, from them a piece bed together till he get big now and have the money.
No, that was a dolly house thing.
Well,
Never real.
you bad man.
That's what you have to tell me.
I only advise me to tell you say is don't analyze yourself over the man. Don't go crazy over the man. Just
analyze my sister.
Yeah, idiot.
We are not fool. We are not fool.
Yeah, what then?
I just
You gonna analyze your sister, hello?
man have money.
No, I think that trick, you know. Sometimes they come from far and they have one like 100,000 US and no money that 2,000 that done.
Alright, why
Let me tell you, the best advice I can give to you is that
I think she body big making there with her and mine just a grow.
and I think together they with nobody for them Batty are the least. I think the best advice me can give is just talk to the man. Yes, none of that. Just talk to him and see if he genuinely like you. And if you know you do not want the boy, do not talk to him. Do not
want the boy.
No, you're talking to the boy because of the money, the dollars. Well,
from before we have dollars, me want him.
You should put up more effort in time there. But me I can't go on my way. Just
So when I say take him from him, take a girl man.
talk to the F, take a girl man, touch me girl. You damn baboon.
What going to go? You good?
Yeah, man, how fun.
You can't buy my juice.
I just see me a beg.
I'm thirsty. I thought me a walk from my nose.
Where?
Over yard.
That not far.
Mom,
So me a little me walk up for. Me
Alright,
walk
you
at
can buy me the
school
juice?
and. Me the one bag juice.
bag juice. You take one of the US dollars and like it.
You want juice? You want buy a juice? Oh, your sister.
My sister, she alright, you know. I want
You should see her from she up there.
No,
Where she
it don't make sense to go up there. She got a man yard. She and her boyfriend and her boyfriend come to her. You didn't see one red car pass.
Yeah, boyfriend.
Man, not boyfriend. Boyfriend a little boy. Man, big thick man in house. So it don't make sense to go
Me
up
know
there.
that.
So you
She
know
say she
money.
nah no man.
She have man, don't make she fool you. So you know money.
You ask me if you buy a juice and me buy a juice. Buy 2 bag juice with that
This
and cool.
can't buy juice to her. So what did they have for your sister? Why? You like her?
Yeah, she knows me like her.
Oh, you like her?
How things with you though? What you do since you left school, right?
You left school, look work and things. So you not have money?
You ask me if me not have money, if me not have money. Where you want money to do?
Nothing up here and the gas store. Me no let nothing up there for you.
The man left nothing up there? And the gas is done?
Nah, nothing for eat. Nothing. She Shanice have something to eat, you know. Can't go on with man. I'm coming with Burger King last night. So she had a better one. Me nah nothing.
Come back here and money, she have money. But yeah, you go give mother this to buy gas, right?
So you couldn't give me a time to say buy gas?
So I'm going to give this. And you just buy gas.
What a
out of
genuine
it.
man you be.
And anything left out of it, you give. That's a game, but you shouldn't see cheap.
So why she have to get the change? She have money.
No man, let's give she the change over that.
She don't need the
A 15,000
change.
that, you know.
Watch all this sick now. My bumper big?
Where do that a while ago?
You know see the money fair.
You see you?
The
You
money
see?
fair.
Go on, go buy a gas.
So my bumper no big.
The two, your sister one bigger than 50, but you can go.
You know what? You talk.
Where you want me to tell lie?
Because you say me bumper no big, me bumper big.
You know got to get.
If you want to see Chinese, go look for Chinese and man yard.
Well, me figure out that part.
Okay.
What me say wrong door?
No, man, no, later.
What go and tell her?
There you go.
Man, if me invisible again, you see me. But you see me again and attack me. So I'm going, alright.
There, me wait for one truck.
Me ear say your TT there.
She with us gone?
Yeah, TT, me ear, TT. What's your name, sir?
See people can spread rumor.
Mm-hmm.
Me and nobody done in the day.
Oh, you see the Chinese?
Me not in the either.
You don't dead when
But
you're
that's a
younger.
thought when we
Are you so piss
no,
bed?
me I try.
You still have piss bed now?
No. You cut out them so that how much years now you remember them something there?
Me have to remember them because
Sure.
me ears you come back here, but you don't know different to me. Me ears you come back in here, you're rich and got money, but me not see none of that. You
No
look,
man, me have to stay calm.
You look
I buy one
simple.
bike at that game for us to stay. Just see move
you
on.
buy bike and a walk.
Me not have no come walk come down here so I wait for the truck.
Alright,
Me
me say
have
something
lift
to
up
you.
them wire here.
Me say something to you. It's like when you come back and you have money. Most of the girls them go there run out because they have money. You need to
No, man, you
open
see
your
that now?
eyes. Open your eyes.
You not have to tell me.
And stick. Some of them only
Me
want them
know
money.
where I'm going.
Yes, and some of them will chat about this and that and make it seem like say they're not a man when they're a man.
Yeah, make it sound like say me a foreigner. I am a born and growing and we just let you when me bought 17 and so.
So
I am a born and grow.
alright.
You alright? How things you do?
Things to me just rough. We just hungry. Can you help me out?
You see?
Help me out, help you that man. Can you me hear say you go a charity, me say you do charity, you help the
But
needy.
you know. You see what I left here, so?
Yeah.
You know me there, right?
Yeah.
I cook some food up there.
Let's say me want some food.
You see you're hungry.
So you can buy
I
your
cook
food.
some food so you get some of it.
So you can give me your money.
Me don't really have no money right now for me. Like, what is to that? Me only have missing. Right, yeah. Me go bust up on that money. You see? Let's go on this. Bust up on that money.
Thanks, but yeah, but
food.
you have
and
$100 right so you couldn't.
No man, that good with you. That good, yes.
But you have $100 to give me $100. So you could give me $100.
Satisfied with what you get. You understand? Me could have just said me not give you nothing and wait till I reach up there.
And that's
Satisfied,
still
man.
a piece of it more.
You see, uno Jamaican girl. That's why I nip boy. Move back from the outside. Because you're just greedy and ready, aye. The man for a long man.
Glad says you out here. You can't tell it. You sure go shop for me, baby girl. Please and thanks. What you want for dinner?
So you still have the money there?
Yes. That's why you see me I come in a piece by. If we gonna spend it all off at once, it done. So you want chicken tonight?
Mommy, you better go buy something small. You buy chicken today, what we eat tomorrow?
True. Alright, we're kinda tired of the splashes. Get 2 pounds of chicken foot for me. And some rice and some seasoning.
Alright, Mom.
And a tang. Alright.
Alright, so come.
Well, good. Thank you. I'm gonna start the fire.
And they come over here and this laptop curtain. Can you tell me, see a curtain? Oh, you gonna know where now?
Oh,
What?
so two then.
What you what?
You can look for your boyfriend.
Which boyfriend? You know who live over there, so?
Yeah, man, you look for
A Samantha and him Pitney live over there and him Pitney there and Pitney guy and I'm man yard. I'm father yard. And me go over there and help Samantha put up the curtain. And yeah, me didn't know say a curtain she call me family. Which boyfriend? Find mommy me a boyfriend? Me don't even like man much this. Nah, no boyfriend. If you come in my life, me don't even know if you want me or not. Cause me I talk on the phone this morning and me tell you say me so clever. When me I call you, you not answer.
Because I'm busy, man.
Where busy I do?
We just come for the hard way up on my yard now go. Cause you know your truck are passing through.
Me not listen to no truck. Me not know nobody a buy. Okay, I come give me.
Oh, so your sister me see and your sister tell me say you have boyfriend, you go and check your man. Cause me see her me after boy.
Titi?
Yes.
Titi tell you say me go and check my man. Titi tell you say me have man.
So you go and check your
So
man.
if me go to her and ask her about it, she can say yes, she did say that.
Me don't know if she gonna say that, but
this
that what
sound
she
like
tell
you're
me.
sure.
Me very sure she stop me and tell me. I me a girl under you sick buy gas. She said gas don't know.
Gas over yard. When I give mommy the money, mommy buy gas. I'll pack mommy buy some new pot. Cause the pot them did black and crusty.
That little girl, let's see. You know, so me just got avoid her and done.
Well, you must know, but me not know man. Me
But
not know man.
maybe them a wait for me up my place. So me see it. Me text her.
Alright,
Yeah?
yeah.
Alright.
Yes, you little liar, piece and manners. Hey, I don't want that girl up, you know. I shop. Mommy said me don't even bother go shopping. Oh, you so lie, girl.
Approach me better now.
Oh, you so lie. What you mean approach me better? You forgot to have me a bigger one? You might tell about me bigger. Where you get money from? You know what? Where the money they were Tugger gear? Where you just say gas done? Where money they were Tugger gear?
Onion again.
You mean onion again?
Oh, your man.
Yeah, where money they went gear? Where you say gas done?
Woman, me ask you one question. Okay, you know, sister. When you talk about the time for yes and claim to say, oh wow. You did the funny phone this year, man. Your man did give me the money. Now you ain't give the
Listen
money.
to me and listen to me good. Tugger say him see up on the road and him ask you where me there and you tell him about oh me gonna look for man. You give me man?
So when you see me, I mean I see him.
What do you mean in the same?
When me I go to see Tugger girl.
Girl, Tugger say, you see and you say how much me gonna look for my man so enough to come up here, coming up here and then him say you say oh gas done no gross no up here all said and call for where money there?
Me?
Yes, Titi, you.
You see the money for me? Me? Tugger tell you that?
You're deaf?
Well, I don't care Tugger come confront you. Me not see Tugger
You know say I'm very wicked and lie. Oh wait mommy then let me go to mommy. Mommy!
I shall take your man.
Mommy!
What?
Mommy, come here. I don't have time for the pot. Come here, mommy.
What?
Why Titi so lie?
What
Oh,
now?
Titi, if you go to Tugger, go tell Tugger, say gas done. No gross no up here. The money when you get done, ask the comfort and how me gonna look for man. Which man me gonna look for?
TT do that?
Mommy, Tugger the lie, you know. Instead, Titi, tell him. I mean, even go shopping, you know. Not even shop me no go. Me I walk on the road and buck up on him.
Me no believe. Me no say your sister jealous of you, you know. But make Tugger check properly. Because me no believe.
So, mommy, why
me
you
know
think-
say she bad mind in a way, but me not really believe say. You sure him say that?
Mommy,
And your
me not
sister
hear
say?
doubles. I mean, no say. I want Titi in the lane. And if Tugger gonna lie, me I think Tugger gonna lie about that. He say he look for a get $100 to buy gas. Gas he
Yes,
say.
me no cook
She
now.
tell him say gas done. And your money, the money when him give you done.
I forgot check this, cause
Mommy, me not tell me say I want Titi, you know. Want Titi, yeah?
alright. Do, look. Everything in your mind is a bubble down. Do, please, me I beg you. Go shop. Me will talk to your sister.
Mommy.
Something alright.
Alright.
Me will talk to her.
All you talk about this shop, you know. Want Titi. The so come back.
You know, want source of food, you want seasoning in your food. Me will talk to her, man. What is this?
bad.
TT! TT, come here a minute, please, and thanks. Well, if you did come the first time, we wouldn't have to ball it the second time. May I beg you, please, and thanks. Because she know in the yard and me have to go out. You can rake up the yard for me, please. That's all I need you to do. Do what?
Who for your copy yard?
Who else there? No, you may ask.
So I'm to Shanice.
Shanice, wash up. Shanice, sweep. Shanice, fold up the clothes. Shanice, mop the floor. Shanice, the horse dead and cover. What you do from morning since you wake up?
Put up your bed.
You never spread up the bed. And
Mommy,
Shanice,
you know
we say spread up the bed.
You're unfair bad. Ever since Shanice have man carrying things and carry things come here. Your love sweet for your old age. I bet if she didn't carry nothing come here, you would have tell me to wake up now.
Little girl, you rank and face and lick your head in a come. Me will conk in your head in a girl. Me will lick in your head in a and remind you who you be, you know. Me say, rake up the yard, one little diggy thing me ask if you don't
give up. Say, mommy, me not doing it. I don't
do it. Make me
one so.
This is for me yard. This is for me yard. And why are you living under my roof in a me yard? Must I ask you for the one time? Come out then. Come out then. Since you can't clean it, since you're not doing it, roll JJ, roll 69 and come out to me yard.
Because you have man carrying things, she know why you do nothing.
This little thing, me and
you know, see me wash the plate. You don't see me clean up your house.
You don't see me spread up your bed and wipe out the bathroom.
Which bed you never spread up nothing, you're too light. Me don't like your ways, you know.
You're unfair for your age, that's a problem.
You go come out to me yard, you know. You go come out to my place, you know. Cause
too
dopey conqueror. Can't tell me a dopey conqueror already.
So who more if you come out, me and
that's not the problem.
You is one attitude, you're a woman. You're a woman too. So may I beg you please and thanks. No, me not beg you. May I tell you.
Lady, listen up.
Lady. Since me a lady come out to me yard.
If PR man never did I give you things, you would not tell me if you wake up yard. No, you love
Mommy,
I'm tired to tell you that.
You can't go look work or something. Since you don't want to clean up your yard, why you not go look work?
But you not tell Toga say be a bun your game bun left right and center. What to Ray?
Mama, me a Ray down there.
I
money me that text for Ray.
Ray come pick up yesterday.
Bad.
So I choose
Mommy, stay at home. Say no no.
Chubawa. So when Ray give me money, you mean buy food for she in here.
So at least she admits Ray give her money and she buy food.
Ray is Uncle Paul.
Ray she man, you can't tell me say you're your uncle. Me see Cara go so.
Stop telling lie, little girl. You're too lie. You're too lie.
Listen to me.
You're too lie.
You confirm me. I did not confirm me. I do not have no man.
Search your phone and you know who name Ray. That if it do.
Shut up your mouth.
You know, seminar listen to you.
Okay.
That is the right thing to talk to.
Last time you go and create mischief.
Don't listen to me.
She's my daughter, but she
come back here.
You? Yes, baby, walk good. You have to come out to me yard. Cause one dopey concrete at this and I know you. Oh,
yeah, good. Sure.
How do you, girl?
You don't know what I say. Move over here and tell me if you wake up yard.
What's wrong with wake up yard?
I don't look around with it ever since Chinese scare man. We are carrying things from here and me she want.
Oh my.
You don't like that style. You have to go and fishing too licky.
Alright, so what happened to your hog now? And I get him?
Yeah, you know if I had them tell you like how just do not. Give me one. That done, you know. It's done in a one day. You put my finish your sentence.
And that's why people like me don't give people like you advice. So you don't pay them back.
Give me one advice. You're gonna get quick.
So you get him done tall. No problem. How are you there now?
Me I'll tell you like funny girl. I think the man already gonna go up on the road.
Okay. But tell you how things set now. You see where things said? It look like you're not get the man.
You don't look so.
You're not get the man.
So tell me what to do.
Well, I'm not saying more what me I say. I'm putting more me I say now. Because sometimes I say some things out of that mouth that want to make sense. Yes, the best solution. The only way you're going to get the man is if your sister dead.
So make a kill her.
I am sorry to say, but you're going to have to unalive her. That's the only way you're going to get the man.
So me fi analyze her.
Yes.
Me nah no problem, me we think about it. No problem na in the solution. And situation.
You see when I realize it, you know, money quickly change you.
I no money, girl.
Cause yes, sister, where you know from so. You don't
think on road and beg.
You don't even think twice. You agree right away. Blam. Over one little black boy.
She did think twice when she knows me like the man.
One pissy tail boy.
He never think twice.
You can't say them. Alright. Anyways.
I go and think about it.
Alright.
Analyze bar.
Girl, me and your friends for a long time and from school days, right?
Yes.
It's when you do it, do the thing professional, do the thing so not come back for you and people go find
No
out.
fingerprint, no chase, nothing. Deadly me deadly.
Right.
Kill a girl.
Right. Say for
Analyze.
Say for nothing. You can poison, but I think if you poison, the poison ain't going to know. So you call them mother go the ball like she nah have no sense and then yeah, so hire somebody. You understand? Analyze.
Me don't think about it. Anyway, girl, link me.
Bye.
Alright.
You don't have much sense.
I call every time you hear something from my sister, it's like you want to run with it.
No,
Then
me
I don't
nah
like
run
people
with
like
it.
you, know.
I understand how she's saying. No. Me not run with it, she has.
Sometimes I feel like she bad mind me.
Yeah. That, you know, when it's like she want me to talk to her, but that not gonna happen. Because me and you, we are come from way far.
So you say. But anyways, me did want to ask her something, but me never want to ask her for everybody here.
What?
You still a piss bad?
So me talk about him foolish, me a big man, you know. So ask me.
As big as maybe me do it no man then. That's
But
all.
you, me not do them something.
But remember say we did do it together, we used to say.
Hello, Tiger. Hello, Shanice.
Hi.
I don't really know me, no, but me and sister friend. What want to get alright?
Me there, man.
Top behave like you don't know me, because you know say me and your friend
You
for a
know
long
him,
time.
you know him,
From me
never
know you from
seen
your
him,
piece
no.
bed.
Why you have to bring that come on road?
Because you behave like you don't know me. Anyways, you know what I say, I come over here to give you advice.
Who you come to get advice?
You.
Me?
Me I try to advise I say you need to go to church because me I tell you, I feel like something bad that go happen to you. So I feel like you forgot church.
Why you think something bad happened to me?
Me don't know it's
What do you
like
mean?
God has sent a message. You know sometimes God
And God send you with it?
yes.
Then why God
So,
did choose you
what
to
say,
send with that
like,
message
something
there?
Something bad got me to what even it like a two no. Look like when in a relationship with two me can go to church and preach and watch on the head back. Cause sometimes the people
I
them
joke, don't make joke with God no.
no I true.
Because never yet see you in a church close yet.
But I think me
God
not got
give you a message, you come
You
here.
don't have to go to church to praise God. That's no problem.
But God, I gotta give somebody when I got church a message from me.
yes, me are still a godly child. Cause sometimes the people have only put on a head pan pillar without no sleep with, you know. Them a plan for no. So it better they turn God church.
Well, you try to tell me so talk a plan for me.
Me no know. Sometimes the people
You know what me not like with Uno? Uno want to talk something I don't want to say.
You
Me
know
I
the
say
best
it.
thing you do? You go
God give me a message to for God church.
you go on your way there.
If you know about this area, me no name, me again to the next 2 days.
Yeah, which bad for me?
Me now which bad for you, me say no
So
for
you
God
have to
church.
teach me no
God
bad.
church, young girl.
Why?
The demon is close.
So tell me
Closer than
what
what
the
you
demon.
think.
What the demon?
And what God tell me to say me I say.
Oh, well, you ain't got to go on with that. I'm not too want to hear
You
that.
can't say me never want to young
Look,
girl.
little child, look how you dress. Look how you dress, belly skin and something.
Nothing wrong with my dressing.
You
I
need to
beg
have
you
a
do.
brazier.
I help your woman preach. Come here, tell you something not come for her, you know.
My woman.
Something not come. Alright. You can't say me never want to, you know. You can't say me never want to, you know.
Yeah, okay.
Alright.
Walk with grace.
Hallelujah.
But God send you with a
And so then
message.
go on and create this.
You know them missionary people they will walk and talk, but oh God say I must tell you that
But-
today is going to be the day that this and that and that and comfort.
But she
Now
refused.
look upon them. When if mommy cook up there, come here hungry, you know.
I don't know. What me have that little girl in there?
Oh God, mommy, we had that door.
Me just finish rake.
React.
So Titi the rake yard. Which rake the yard?
So what Titi then now? She inside?
Maybe no. She gone about her business and she might as well stay there because she have to come out to my house. You know?
Oh well, your fault.
Which part of my fault?
Is that you raise her? If you did a raise and groom her girl, she would have lady me not raking no, yo, lady me not this, lady me not that.
The amount of conk and belt that girls get. If me ever piss, if me ever drop her a box, you see, she'll piss up herself.
Wait, like I say, if you ever piss on her,
She'll piss up herself. If me ever shut her a box, she'll piss up herself.
Anyway.
So we're trying to raise my hand and my temper. Anyway, you alright, baby?
me not really sure. But kind of have second thoughts about something. Come here and take it on the road, right? You carry me down the road because sit down with that talk. And this girl, me not really know her, but she know my sister, but me know her, but me not really know her. I see me see her, but me not really see her. Say, me and take a figure at church. Something bad could happen to me. And me I say something bad happen to me. And then she did that talk about she's a child of God, but she not belly skin or something. So me I wonder if attention she a look or my sister. So now if she say something to trigger me head, because she and my sister a friend, bear in mind.
Huh. I must
So,
say she your sister get the bad attitude from.
If the two of them talk behind them up. What do you mean?
Maybe, you know, because some funny
please
things.
hear me out. Then I finish talk for her.
Well, no, you know, officer, please, now let me listen to this.
Mommy
Good
and
evening.
sister, I am so sorry for how I acted in the past and how I can tell life on you. Call me the jealous.
See, admit the facts here, they
Yes.
tell him right.
Ha,
So
hey!
they now.
Jesus really come.
But I am truly sorry for telling lie and Mommy, me sorry for saying me need a record yarn.
So you can't go rake it now?
Yes, I have no problem, but let me finish. I will never do such thing again, and as of today, sister, I will try my best and stop give a problem and talking.
Belly
And
full.
mommy, may we do anything else me fi do.
But you want ears and continue with that. Anyways, mommy, it's like how you're a good girl. The bathroom want clean, go and clean with
What
it.
else me do, mommy?
Break up the yard,
And then what else?
go in your bed.
Okay.
As me I say, mommy, me kind of afraid. But me not. I want to tell mommy.
Me no cut you. The little girl come talk to you about God. I know you the shall one. God work in mysterious ways. You know, see what just happened? Hey, I must say your turn to lick your head. You know, see the Jezebel come and apologize and turn you lead. Maybe that's what the young girl was coming to warn you about.
Look how much time I fake apologize and nothing never change.
No, that
Me
one
a girl till a
can't
morning.
fake. Me a
Well,
chance.
me a girl till a morning.
Me a
Anyways,
chance.
I go hold her bed before she done clean the bath. Before she start clean the bath.
Yes, and nobody say nothing wrong and change the mood. Yeah, keep her in that the mood.
Yeah.
All right.
How much you have your hand on your jaw now? So say you're pregnant?
Me not do nothing for pregnant. I think you get one word or something.
From the day I born, every day you go look up. You don't get none yet?
I'm so waiting. I'm also there I think about how me used to go on. How me used to deal with your auntie.
Deal with me, you never stayed me now.
I just want to say sorry again. I mean everything when I say yesterday. I'm a changed person now.
I never see a person change overnight, I just say alone, but...
You can see the one I do.
Oh, so... How are you going to look up now?
Down in that town, you know.
How much do you know you're going to town and look
No, I'm
around?
going to that town.
How are you
the
going?
man, me did that look in the pool.
Oh my. So you think you really are going to look out now? You don't think a man is going to look same way?
No,
Look how you just are going to look for.
I work.
Just like that?
Sister,
Your ear don't even properly groom.
to show us if
Alright.
Yeah.
Good, good. Me
You
love
alright,
that.
mommy?
Yeah, man, me good. You?
Yeah, I'm just going to go and work.
Okay. What kind of work you looking so?
Any little store work, restaurant work, or something.
Mommy. Yeah, mommy.
What?
Nothing.
So, why, mommy? I
Uh-huh.
just want to say I'm sorry again and everything. I tell sister I'm sorry again and thing. So I'm going to look one work and I'm going to go on the road and see if I get no work and carry
Yeah,
on.
alright. Yeah, go on. Walk safe. Walk with
Alright,
grace.
walk good.
Alright.
And thank you for the apology.
Mommy.
TT can fool, but TT is not going to fool me. About 3 months now, TT has said social work here. You ever see nobody changing in one night? You ever see nobody changing in one night?
Everybody deserves a second chance.
You know, say,
but you hold on now. Everybody deserves a second chance. Me not say me let down all of my guards. But you see, when somebody I try to make a change, you allow them. But you still use your eyes or you still use your senses. Me not say my guards completely drop.
oh well.
But what if she change?
She gonna look work. Me I gonna look for my man.
Alright. How to work that. Alright, what good? At least she wake up pretty presentable now. What?
Alright, there, good.
Yeah, man, we're good. I give thanks. Give thanks.
No, man, I'm Chinese today.
No, you just miss her, you know. She gone on the road.
Alright.
But like how you there, me, I want to talk to you a little bit. How your mother?
Sure, I don't.
Good, good. Big her up for me when you next see her. When you next see Sarah, big her up for me. But there's a question I wanted to ask you.
Alright.
Mr. Say you and Shanice can get back on a relationship and on a friendship and things. What is your intention towards my daughter?
I'm married her. I'm do.
Whoa, you're really going to marry her? You really think that far ahead?
Yeah, the one. I'm gonna marry her. That's my intention.
Wow, she know this?
Remember, so if I go back to the state, but I want to engage her before
What?
I go back.
Woo-hee! Alright. And that me love.
Yeah.
I always did love you, you know. He was a good boy. Yeah, you have my blessing.
So, I just want to do a little surprise thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, man.
But not tell her, so me tell her no.
No. Oh, God. The only thing I beg we want, if me not dead, video it. Come and want to see her face.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Me proud of you.
All of that I go do, man.
Me proud of
So you
you.
say she gone on the road?
Yes, she gonna shop. You might catch her on the lane or by bamboo.
Alright.
Alright. My son-in-law.
Alright.
Wedding bells, jingle bells. Woo!
Listen, me just want to stay far from you because if you're more trouble and set like me, yeah? Your mouth is at your hurting.
Jesus.
Oh,
You can help me out?
you know.
Yeah, the period.
Say no go over.
Yeah, they're too far, Toga. Yeah,
Oh.
come the Toga.
What you want?
More go away, I go change.
Change what?
Put that sitting. Yeah, now sit myself on the road. People come. What Jesus?
Well, let me see if we can let no one.
Come.
Where you see one? Let me see if we can find.
Bed feel comfortable, though.
And your sister all short and so.
Me no want nothing.
Cheater.
Oh, so when you wake up a man, you can put on it?
I mean,
Yes.
what, give me this. What do you mean wake up a morning?
I want.
You don't want the 7 to change
Yes, you know, under me, I'm lying down, comfortable. Oh God.
Girl, that's the reason why I didn't want to stay far from
Me did want.
I come over me yard, girl.
I'm there, yeah, ready. Sure. It's like, you know, I'm going to let them do it.
Girl.
Oh yeah, touch me, pa.
God, you see, God,
Toga,
girl.
what did you do over here, Toga?
Me see her on the road and she
You know, say, you know what? Me no want ear. You see, man, like Uno, I should have never,
Yeah,
ever. Me no want ear. You deaf, I don't understand that. You see, let me tell you this. I'm telling you, so see if I'm me I want. See if my sister you want, I'm a sister you want. You're not gonna pay no mind here with me right now. For you hear? Move,
Girl, oh you say come out of me. Come out of yeah, see if you don't want me to get mad. Come out of my place.
Come here.
1
772.
Yo, wait. Look.
I don't know, people can't tell lies, so little simple things can't tell lies. Yo, me, what me look like, man? Why me feel it so what they say? Me can't see with me one eye, yeah. Even the girl that say, touch me now.
I know me not touch her.
Oh, wow.
Listen, me explain to man, you listen to one side of the story. Me I walk on the road, right? She see me, she start go so. I roll her belly. Then me say, warm tea. She say, her period that come or whatever. So me say, what happened? She say, can me over here for me go to tea or whatever, you let me a shot.
So me ask her something.
So me remember say I have shots over there. So me carry her
look on here. We are there.
She said she couldn't manage.
I don't want you nothing what you have to say. I don't.
Yeah, make it like say I'm wrong. Only thing we do, you know, I make she come over there and
so we are carrying yard for?
Because she said she wants the chain.
So if one other woman say, oh baby, me want the chain, can you bring me home? You bring them home. I say, man, like, no, something turn up to anything. Move from here.
Boy, God. Go on. What's that girl that go me a walk? I come from up the road. Listen, Toga and your sister up there pound a piece of corn.
Yes, girl, me say, me try one different stunt to backside. And it don't work.
Can I come?
Me tell, me see man on the road, me tell the man say, my period comes. So bad.
The period come?
No, bad pain, I rub down my belly and tell you carry me guy here. Him like he there, me then lie down and then me want to see mama bust door. Okay, so I choose that. So me get up and say, don't touch me, Toga. And him and mama blaze
in that kitchen?
No, let me get him. Just get the man. And we not even get to do nothing.
You don't plan to do things today?
Yeah, girl.
And I know your man, you want to do things today, you don't think
people, man. Me say, mama, me see he blaze off a woman gone.
Well,
you don't know.
me tell you if you do already analyze her.
You know me go think back about it in my life.
Me tell a long time, the best thing to do is analyze her and get rid of her.
Me gonna think back about it in my life, part. Me gonna think.
Yes.
Alright, mama.
But next time I go to the man, you can me doing a myself that ain't the work.
Me never expect
If she didn't come or not that now work, the best thing to do is get rid of her.
Me gonna think about it.
Think about the carrying in no sense.
Alright.
Oh God, thank you Lord for the little bit. Mommy, you see me tell us that Titi don't have change.
What you talk about?
You know when me go find Titi over Toga yard. And then she talk about stop touch me. And then when me left the yard, him run me down about to tell him say our period did not come. And then when she reach our period, never bother come and ask for them come fat. You see me tell us that she not changing.
No, man, because if it was just words alone, we would have go with it, Shanice. But you know, see how they yard clean and she had do everything she says she wants to do.
I mean, you see,
and she normally
I
just
do
come
not
with
want
words.
to be disrespectful, but you're a damn idiot. You're very blind. You're very blind. I mean, I say not much, no, I just got to say, who can hear, go feel. And if Titi continue to test me and upset me that way, I'm going to beat her.
God, no longer cool down, man. You're getting too hot. Sure.
Thank you, God, for the little bit of rain.
Evening, mommy.
Evening.
What, mommy?
Let me here with you and Toga. And Shanice. What happened to them?
Let me think, come on, Friday, I'm Chinese. I couldn't do it and I could.
So you never really see Shanice?
No.
You never talk to Shanice?
No, she did mad and upset. Okay, so if you lower and find out what when we come over.
So how you do with the job hunting?
Mommy, look at me get one job. The man said, "You give me number." I say, "No, call your phone."
Okay, doing what?
Yeah, manager position, no working.
Okay, alright, well you must tired. Go ahead, but stay away from Shanice. She's in one of her tempers. Keep her from her.
Alright, man.
Congratulations. We look for the car. I have the phone in my pocket.
Sister, I don't want to talk to you, but I want to talk to you.
Then if you know me don't want to talk to you, why you coming here to
Because I want to talk to you and tell you the truth.
I'm really
If you know the
interested to
truth,
hear
you see,
it.
after me tell you, so now talk to me. Fine. But let me tell you the truth. You see, me tell a lie. Me tell you, say me feel like period they come. And the name come. Me tell you, say me feel like the period they come and the name come.
Just figure out.
Yes.
Titi, I don't want to hear. I don't want to hear. I don't even want to
But you
hear.
can't make me say
I
sorry,
don't want to
sister.
see you in my life.
Why? I don't know why me even do this.
Lord God, more shouting again. We can't take it. What do you? What happened?
Mommy, nothing not really happened. But sometimes you ever wonder Titi him sick in her head. You ever wonder she need to go to the Bellevue? And I'm sick and I'm tired of this family. I'm planning on just move on. I'm just frustrated right now. And that's how it is.
How
Titi won't leave Tara alone, so she just talk about I just lie, she not tell us to come back. Me not tell me explain myself over again. Ask her she explain herself to you. It hurt me.
what lie? TT! TT, come here quick. Your head hot me, my head hot me. What really are going? Because me here, lie me here, tug me here. What going?
I go to sister, try to talk to her and tell her the truth. She walk out, she not hear nothing from me. So let me tell you then, me tell you a lie. Me see the man from the road, me tell the man say me period did come. And no period never did come because I'm just the one guy man yard. But as me reach at the yard, we not do nothing. Me just sit down on the bed. Then me see sister bust the door and come in, and then the man start cuss. Then me come out. Simple. Okay? Me tell her sorry.
Tugger yard?
Yes, tugger yard. I mean, I want him, man. Me no want him.
So we are going
So,
to tug a pad?
We gonna have to spite you. Cause you get enough money, I mean I get no.
oh, Jesus, I want to raise.
But me tell her
What make you
sorry.
hate your sister so much?
If me did hate her, I would have still do it. Me not hate her yet.
But it's only because she come in, you never do it.
Hmm?
It's only
No,
because she
never
come in,
did
you
that,
never
no.
do it.
Me know that she that come that side, me go.
How you so vindictive, little girl? And what she really do you? Look how much man
get the
down
man
the
before me.
street.
To get the man before me.
And from you, Lily bitch, you never like Tugger. I'm too dirty for you and too raggy for you.
If people
Why
don't
was...
know how to work. Me not really
Nobody change the subject. What you do is wrong.
Mommy, me I can go on the road. Right? So me apologize to her.
One, because
Now I see why she not accept your apology. Oh God.
Boy, you're going
Over to my yard. If me walking on the road, me go over there. But put me later.
You're not sorry. You not...
It makes no sense to waste your
We don't understand where she come from. But where's real chalk and cheese?
Yeah, I think so.
Shanice, me sorry, my girl. Because you did a try tell me to. And me did a try to see the best in everything. So, Lord God, what happened now? See, you and Tugger gone? You and Tugger mash
I
up?
don't really know. I'm not really business right now. I'm not really business about that. Me I come going to lie down. What you do?
You're not going on the road too. You're not going to try to talk to him.
Mommy, I did nothing wrong. I'm not running.
No,
down
me not
no
say you
man.
did nothing wrong.
I am
But
going in and lie down and free my mind. My head hurt me. My head really hurt me.
alright, baby. I'm sorry I got through this year. May I go up on the road?
Alright, man.
Why?
Be careful. Me not there. You're wait for you. Alright.
Hello.
What problem?
You know, in a year like a silly games them again. You understand? You see where you you put me in the last time?
Let me put you in now.
He come like a dig a hole and bury me in it.
Just say you should have asked me.
Don't come near me.
So what you ask me, Papa?
Stay over there. Sir. I can't step in front and sit down on a public bench, but stay over there.
So what going? Alright?
No go on.
Alright?
No good, no.
So you move so? Still going to Shanice, do
Listen me. Me in love with her, and me go forever love her.
So she have over me?
She's just short and nice. She have a little bumper on her
So me not bumper too?
Her dark chocolate skin, it just...
So
She
me
have
not bumper too?
everything with me want. Where you say?
Me not bumper too?
Where?
Bumper!
You get bumper not bumping. You not bump.
A styling thing?
That
So
you
all
think
if
you have, but
Shanice
you
there
not have
with
it.
3-4 different men, they still there with her.
Listen me. I not there with nobody else until, God forbid, until she dead.
Until she dead?
Those part.
So when she dead, before dead somebody else?
Yes. Until me go on my grave or she go up her grave.
So you still not give me no
That's at the
chance?
time when we separate. But otherwise, Dick, Tom, Harry could have got it. Me still did it. Because I love her.
So if you have 10 man, I make 11.
That don't matter me. Now me I make it
What she
11.
really have over me? Me not understand. Just see look bumper full of.
Me love
And
her.
it's
Listen
short,
me.
dark chocolate a full of.
All I need to do,
The chocolate there is not chocolate in it's tail, it a melt.
well, it melt from me. Make
The
it
milk
melt
pan 10 different
from
man
me.
and you make 11. Boy,
Well, me could have make 12, 13, 14, 15. I do business.
so you not give me back one chance?
So, me they give you a chance?
Yeah.
Me they give you a chance?
Because you threw me top tail like this. I would have
Go on.
You see
Nah,
the
me
man?
done.
Woman.
Go on. Go on,
Go on, go on,
yeah?
there. Go on.
I'm
See
gonna
the
go
things
your
that
way.
happen to you. Go on, you.
Girl,
Go on, girl.
you say you good? You're good.
No, I'm not okay.
What happened?
You don't know, so I see man down this and not too long ago.
What happened?
I'm not trying to flirt with the man. The man I shoot me up and tell me about say he don't want me. When somebody want I just Shanice and he not change woman until she dead.
You see? Me did tell you if you get rid of her.
And that me go
Your
do.
sister a black your part. Your sister a black your friend get money.
She a black chocolate.
Everything. You see love of your life? Your sister a black your friend get love of your life.
Exactly.
So, if you get rid of her.
I think boss.
Me see you the day before yesterday. You say you think about something. Yesterday me see you think about something. Today me see you think about something. You take us a long to think about and like somebody?
It is getting done. Call me and talk to her and she
guess
want
what?
to talk to me.
Me have a plan.
Tell me.
You're going to do it today. You're going to friend her up. You're going to friend her up and bring her somewhere. If you don't want to do it today, you can't do it tomorrow, but I'll give you something for your use.
Me do it today.
I'll give you something for your use. So follow me, have one gun.
Go.
Somebody then go think gun raya we are talking about.
Are you alone? Have you gone Raya? Come.
No, are you girl? No, you me Aggie.
Come, go on. Are you have it? Where them? Nobody now.
Listen to what I say. If you get catch, you don't know me. But I take out there and show you how to use it, but me no want, if I get catch, my fingerprint the panic, and me no want my fingerprint panic, and me no want to get catch with you.
Alright.
And dangerous. So, holy bag I look in there. Holy bag I look in there. Which me just some gloves wipe off me and 5 bags.
Oh.
You see it? Remember, when I use it, and if you don't get catch, bring it back. Remember, it's if I use my property and you do not get catch, bring it back. But if you get catch,
So
do not bring back.
Done with it.
Yeah, idiot. Take a little time and bring it back. Can't give me. Eh? Yeah, girl, something I've in there. So remember, please, me I beg you. Do not get catch. If you get catch, you do not know me. Don't even know me. Don't even name Kayla.
Okay, Miss Kayla.
Yeah.
What your name?
You hear how much time me I tell you, little girl? Plant it in an ear. Sometimes someone no want to take up them the type of life you can't manage, you know. If you get catch, don't call me name, you know.
Alright.
Oh. Come on, look at me yard. Later.
I'm here editing bro.
Hello. In the store, you're going to go right, so they're going to the room. I'm going to take the gun from home, yeah. Jesus! You can move into me, take it. In there? Mm-hmm. You look funny. Ah, I want to use what I did.
About 7. Take it off 7.
Alright, go on. Move out of me, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Where you run from? Oh, this time of night?
Yeah, me and I will go up on the beach.
Oh, the thing say you're at home. Yes.
Let me tell you something. Go up on the road. Me go not go back in the yard.
Oh.
You just go back in the yard and me see you.
Oh, you see Shanice from this?
Chinese.
Where Shanice talk?
No, you can't do it.
Boy, alright.
Come on, you can't cook.
No, so I couldn't take the heat, man.
Come here now, come here.
Yeah, don't cook her. Shanice, how are that?
Come to she.
Shanice, hello, what up? A blood. Jesus! Shanice! No! Oh, God! Oh,